Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Yes, if I could make the lights even more green, I would. I don't know how to make them greener. I mean, you can't get more green than this, can you? Well, you can actually. You can. So let's go a bit more green. There you go. Hang on a minute. Let me make myself green as I could be. Can I get any greener than that? I don't think I can actually. There you go. Is that green enough? Can we be even more green? I think it's important. To be more green today. Anyway, there we go. We're trying to be as green as possible today. There we go. We'll just bring that back up. There you go. We'll calm it down a little bit, shall we? The markets are getting carried away. It's getting silly. The data doesn't make any sense. I've been going through the jobs data. It's all over the place. On one side of the coin saying there's more jobs, and then on the other side more people are unemployed. I think we've got manipulation gone berserk here. I've been studying it all afternoon, and not a lot of people understand actually what is actually going on. It's pretty wild and crazy. Doesn't make much sense to anybody, but there it is. Anyway, let's get straight into it. You shouldn't be buying anything right now. Absolutely the worst thing to do would be buying. You buy on the red days, you prepare for the green days, and you enjoy the pumps. You hold on, or you sell, you trim. It's entirely up to you, but you do not buy the green days. Anybody buy the green days? Oh my gosh, I don't know why you do that. Anyway, let's get straight into the trades and see where we are and try and get some sense of all of this today. Okay, who have we got here so far? Tizro. Yes, I saw that. What did you see? Going up in the comments, I want to see what did you see? What did you see? Tizro says, hey, what's up, Mike? Tilray is up. You're talking about Tilray. I have 600 at average of 384. I know very little, so I took a small profit, but I lost with AT&T. I don't like AT&T. It's not one of my stocks at all. I wouldn't buy shares in it. I held it for a short while. I have 600 average of 384. Shall we have a look at Tilray just for a second? I'm at 174. I'm still down on it. I haven't been buying any more. I haven't been selling, obviously, because I'm down. But it's interesting to see how it has rallied today a little bit, but way beyond the market though. Anyway, it's still good to see it's up today. But anyway, let's welcome our guest on TikTok today. I can't wait for Sensei to come in. Because when Sensei comes in, we got a little bit of a surprise for Sensei. Going to make Sensei famous today on my TikTok channel, and you'll see why in a minute. Anyway, let's go through all our positions and see where we are. Now, you might be saying, hang on a minute, I'm looking at your chart. You should be up a bit more than this, technically. Well, I am. Let me share with you what I mean. If you're the smarter ones of you will have noticed. Okay, you may notice there's $300 missing from my buying power. Well, there's $300 missing from my buying power. As you all know, I don't believe in holding any money in the bank. I feel it's a complete and utter waste of time. I can earn 4.65% with Robinhood, soon to go up to 5% if truth be told. So what is the point of holding it in the bank earning less than 0.5%? There's no point, right? However, to this day, I have never used my cash card that Robinhood provides, and I've never withdrew any money. I've just kept putting money in. I've just kept holding my positions. But today, for the very first time, I withdrew some money out of Robinhood. So it's gone down from 800 to 500. And you will not believe why. You know, I'm buying my new computer. Well, it's interest free, so there's no point me paying it off before the 12 months up, right? No point. But I've been paying it by the month, and it took an extra payment, and it took my bank account overdrawn. The bank gave me the $10 fee straight back. I asked them to do that, and they said they would because they like me. That's good, isn't it? And I needed some money to cover it. I don't know why Apple, it's because of the way the dates work. They charged me for the first month twice. And anyway, it doesn't matter. But the point was, though, here's the cool thing. I went to the bank. The bank wanted $3 to withdraw my cash from Robinhood. So I went, forget that. because Robinhood popped up on the app and said, if you go next door, gives you a little map, and it says, next door, there's a Walgreens. You can withdraw your money, which belongs to you, for free at Walgreens. So I walked into Walgreens and I drew out $300. I walked back in the bank and I paid in the $300. So that's what's paid my Apple bill. So we're all good there. That's why my account has come down from 800 to 500. But as soon as it balances out on the month, I'm going to put it back in again. So if you look at that, we're up today, 1.32, 2.34 on the Roth. So 56 should actually be 56.5. Well, the record was set yesterday at 55.5. So we're up $1,000 today. I cannot believe it. I knew my portfolio was strong, but this is ridiculous. I did not expect it to pop up this well. Anyway, very, very nice. Just letting you know how Robinhood works. Anyway, let's go back onto our shares and read our comments here. I have 600, an average of 384. I know a little bit about it. Disappointing that Tilray is not moving when the market is green. It is actually moving. We need to have some balance here. We do need to have some balance here, because if we actually look, it's very important. People get carried away with the overall situation and they don't actually see the wood for the trees. Let's have a look at the global markets at the minute. The SPY, the S&P 500 is up 1.54. Okay? The S&P 500 today is up 1.55. Right now, I'm looking at it. The New York Stock Exchange is up 1.93. The Nasdaq is up 2.31. The Dow is up 2.25. Great. However, let's look at Tilray. Tilray today is up 2%. So it's beating the market. It's very important to get balance. So Mohammed, it is beating the market. It's beating the SPY. It's beating the NY. It's just behind the Dow, just behind the Nasdaq, but it's beaten the S&P 500. So that's the benchmark for measuring, where we are, and we've beaten it. Anyway, Mohammed, I need you to tell me, what country are you from? Because we're building a special event for our members, and we need to know what country you're from. We've got members from Chile, the USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, and Uganda. If anybody here is a member from a different country, tell me. So MSK, what country are you from? And Mohammed Kahine, what country are you from? Tio Roll, tell me. That's the list of countries I've got. I want to add the other members who have not listed their countries. Lebanon. Right, you're from Lebanon. There we go. We're trying to get all countries of the world members. So Lebanon has just now been added to the list. One Invest would be our first Russian member, but he can't become a member due to sanctions, I believe, on YouTube. Let me read his comment. England, hello. How are you doing?
Англии, здравствуйте. England, hello.
Hello, how are you? So there you go. That's all our countries from around the world. We're hoping to get Russia, but unfortunately Russia can't. I don't believe they can be a member on Facebook due to sanctions at the moment. It's not allowing it. Anyway, now then, Spain. Spain, but you're not a member though. We'd love you to have you as a member, but you're not a member yet. Here is the link for you. There is the link in the chat. If you can become a member, you'll be our very first member from Spain. And we're putting together a special event for our members, for all the countries that are represented from around the world. Let's have a look. Let's read XRP. Yes, we are looking at it today. Yes, that would be awesome. Hopefully they can improve safe banking and push it fast to Biden. XRP, Mohammed, that would be awesome. Lebanon, we've just added that. Spain. So we need you to become a member. So let me invite you. Let's have a look here. Let me go to Google a minute and go to translate. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oops-a-daisy. That's not right. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Welcome, Martin from Spain. We are looking for members to join us from all over the world. Click on the link below. You would be the first member from Spain. We are putting together a special members video. Thank you.
Bienvenido Martin de España. Estamos buscando miembros de todo el mundo para unirse a nosotros. Haz clic en el enlace de abajo. Serías el primer miembro de España. Estamos armando un video especial para miembros. Gracias.
MSK makes no difference, mate. England's brilliant. We've already got England. You're in the England club. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. You're in the England club. All right? You're in. This is a channel for the whole world. We're very, very excited. And we haven't yet got a Russian member. I didn't find yesterday's stream with the translation. I need to explain that then. Okay. Okay, let me explain that. The videos that I make and publish all have Russian language subtitles. The live videos take several days because they are much longer to process. But all the main videos have your language subtitles straight away. I hope that makes sense. Okay. I hope that makes sense to our friend there. He's trying to get the translation. So I hope that makes sense. Okay.
Все видео, которые я делаю и публикую, имеют субтитры на русском языке. Живые видео занимают несколько дней, потому что они намного дольше обрабатываются. Но все основные видео сразу имеют субтитры на вашем языке. Я надеюсь, что это имеет смысл.
Raphael Marquez, how are you, Raphael? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Kevin Graham, been on vacation. Looking forward to seeing everyone from the week. Kevin, smash the like on Facebook and your name will come up on the screen. Go on, do that. You'll see what happens. Do you think many here don't speak English? Well, we get a lot of people from around the world now. We are a multi global channel now. So the thing is, English isn't the only language in the world. And in fact, you miss out 90% of the world if you only speak English. So it's important to recognize that we have members from around the world. Very, very important. Anyway. Mike has liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you very much, Mike. Peter Hoffman. Hi, Martin. Thanks for the great streams. What will you send the money from Virgin Galactic shares on when you fix 100? Thanks for the great streams. What will you spend the money from Virgin Galactic shares when you fix 100 each? What will I invest? When it gets to $100, I will cash it all in and I will buy the S&P and I will live on the dividends. There you go. There's the answer. Anyway, there you go. One from Russia has just said to me, let me have a quick translation. What did he say? What did he say? He said, I got you. Thanks for the reply. You're welcome.
I got you. Thanks for the reply.
You are very, very welcome. I'm fine, mate, says Raphael. Good. How are you in this green day? I'm very, very well. And my portfolio is extremely resilient. I'm very, very happy. As you can see, we're up on the main account. We are up on the Roth IRA, and we're also up on the overall position. I actually have withdrawn $300 today to pay an Apple payment on my computer. So it'd actually be at 56.5, which would actually be another all-time record. So, we're very, very happy with that. Very happy. We're $16 away from making money for the first time on the Roth IRA. We lost $1,000 on this account on this account alone, another $1,000 on my other account, but this account $1,000 we lost with buying Virgin Orbit. Virgin Galactic has been down, but Virgin Orbit has also took me down. But $10 to go. This has never been green because of Virgin Orbit. $9 to go. Let's see if we can turn the Roth IRA for the very first time a nice shiny green. Anyway, great show, Martin. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate you very much. If the space jet hit 100, I will go all in Starlink. You can't buy Starlink yet. The shares aren't available. We all know it's if it's resilient when something really bad happens. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Anyway. Now then, this is the last chance to tell you, and I'm going to tell you now, at least 20 of you are going to miss out from the newsletter on Sunday. 20 of you, because you've signed up for the newsletter, but you've not verified the email. About 20 at least haven't done it. Not only will you not get the newsletter, you also won't get the tickets to our $100 cash giveaway. So, if you want to make sure that you're getting the newsletter, here it is. I'll give it you one more time before the end of the show. Here is the link. You can do it again to check if you've done it. There is the link. That link will bring you through to here. When you get through to here, you put in your email in there. Okay? Once you put in your email, you agree and you sign up. It will then send you a verification email, which looks like this. You might not see it. It will probably go into your junk folder because newsletters go into junk folders. You need to go in there, click confirm subscription, and then you will receive it on Sunday. Now, if you don't receive it on Sunday, it's because you didn't do this. And there's nothing I can do. You then got to wait another week for the following week. But this is the last week to get the magic number that is in there for those free tickets for this $100 cash giveaway. And the cash giveaway is going to go up as well in more money. So you don't want to miss it. There's about 20 of you who have signed up for the newsletter, but you've not verified. Now, if you've then got the verification email and you've clicked confirm, and on Sunday you still don't get it, it's because it was sent to you, but it has gone into your junk folder again. So you need to look in there again. So if you're not sure, do it right now. There's the link in the chat, and it will send you a verification email right now. You can keep doing it over and over again. Until you've got the verification email, it'll keep trying. There's about 20 of you that are going to miss out on the giveaway because you've not verified the email. Okay, I've just checked it a few moments ago before I started the show. Raphael says, I've done it. So you got the email, did you? And then you clicked on confirm. Okay. If you didn't click confirm and didn't receive it, then you've missed out. When it reaches 100, Starlink already made the IPO. Probably. There's no IPO for Starlink. There's no IP. Can anyone share that? There's no IPO for Starlink that I'm aware of. There is no IPO date set for Starlink. No, that's right. At the moment, Elon Musk says the company will go public when cash flow is more predictable. Exactly. I bet everybody will buy it. Oh my God. It'll be the greatest IPO in the history of the world. It will be like buying Tesla on day one. However, get ready for it to drop. Be very careful. If you get what I suggest you do is you try to register for pre-IPO prices with Robinhood or another account, get the pre-IPO. Don't buy it on the day when it rises. Simply wait for the 2 or 3 days, a week later for the drop. It will. That's how IPOs go. You can only make money on it if you get the pre-IPO price or you trade the hell out of it on the way up. Anyway, done it. Pablo, I've done it. Okay, makes sense? Now then, if you've done it, I'll tell you right now because I want to share with you. Look, this is it here. 428 recipients. There's 440, but only 428 are getting it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log back in again and see if it's gone up. It was at 428. So I can tell you if you're on the list. If not, you're not. All right? Because I know people want to get the newsletter and they're missing out because they're not following the rules. So I want to make sure that everybody does. Okay, 428. Here we go. We can log back in again now. There you go. There you go. 2 of you have just done it. 2 of you have just done it. 430. There you go. 2 of you have just listened to what I've said, and 2 of you have just done it. Brilliant. So there you go. Who was that? That was Pablo. That was Pablo and Raphael. They've just been added. 2 more. There you go. Brilliant. Great. We'll cover it again at the end of the show. Let's say some unexpected economic depression could reveal whose portfolio is resilient. Right now, the markets are quite bullish, so we can't tell it from today's market. Well, I've been up now consistently for 6 months. Can you language translate, do Tamil or Malayalam? Let me have a look. Let me have a look. I will see for you. So you've asked me to look at Tamil. Tamil, let's have a look. Tamil. MSK, here we go. Hi, MSK. This is especially for you in Tamil. Welcome to all our guests and friends in Tamil. It works. Gonna like this. You ready? MSK. You're gonna like this. This is a fancy one. All right, here it comes.
MSK, இது உங்களுக்காக குறிப்பாக தமிழில் எங்கள் விருந்தினர்கள் மற்றும் நண்பர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் தமிழில் வரவேற்கிறோம்.
But seriously speaking, what forecast do you expect on this paper? On this paper? What exactly does that mean, on this paper? Would you like to rephrase the question? I'm not sure. But the last 6 months were also a relief period. Yes, there was it's a bear market rally. But when does a bear market rally turn bullish? After 2 consecutive quarters of being up, then technically we're in a bull market. However, people don't like to say that until another 6 months and they look back on it. You are a gold mine, says Raphael. It's going all right. I'll tell you that. It's going all right. Anyway, here we are. S&P. The reason why I am up this year compared to last year is because I've rebalanced my portfolio and there's more diversity with the S&P. If you look here, this is why I do it. We've got I scalp trade, I day trade, I swing trade, long-term investor as well. But primarily, I like a good foundation to my portfolio. The S&P is 33% of my portfolio. So it's no surprise 95% of traders lose money. It's very hard to beat the S&P consistently over the long term. Of course, in one day you could make 400% if you got one of Ed Nevis' trades, of course. But then tomorrow you can lose 400%. That's how it goes. The point is, I am looking for consistent profits. And you need to know your objectives. How much money do you want to make? How many years have you got left to achieve it? What is your goals? What is your measure of risk management? And so on and so forth. If you're younger, you can take more risks. You get older, you might have more money, and you don't need to risk your money. You just want a steady growth of dividends. So you need to find out what is your objective in the first place. Well, for me, I just want to grow a steady portfolio where I'm always increasing and so on. And for me, my income is YouTube, and I, at the moment, earn nothing to speak about, a few bucks a day. However, I'm investing in myself, and I could make millions from my YouTube channel, so I'll have plenty of money to reinvest. My aim, though, is to focus on you and not the money. If I'm focused on serving you in the best way possible and providing you with the best service, that's going to ultimately give me the better return from an emotional standpoint. I feel great about what I've achieved, but also that's the best way to earn money, I believe. If you take care of other people, then you do well. Anyway, I meant the forecast for Virgin shares on the horizon of this year. Okay, well, let's talk about it for a second, Peter. First of all, we have to understand that Virgin Galactic is high risk. It's a rocket company. Things can go wrong at any point and things can change very, very quickly. So no matter how much I'm bullish on a stock, I always need to be measured with my approach and have an underpinning of the S&P and other stocks within the S&P. Now let's just cover that a second. When I spoke to you about I have 33%, in fact, I have about 80% of the S&P, because on top of the general ETF there, I also am very heavily weighted in Apple, which is 8%. So that's nearly 40% now. Amazon, 16%. So that takes me up to 56%. And the reason why I've got Apple and Amazon, because I believe in the AI, the technology, and so on. I think Apple are about to explode on Monday with their Apple Day. So that's why I've got that. I've also got McDonald's, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is 10%. So we're getting near, and J&J is 5%. So we're getting very much near 80% on the S&P. So, but heavily weighted in the tech stocks, because we know how biased the S&P is to Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, tech stocks. So I'm all about the tech. Tech solves problems. That's why I like it. Tech solves problems and has the best margins. That's why I like tech. So swinging that back to Virgin Galactic could go to zero and not affect my portfolio, really. I would still be up on the year. It wouldn't affect me. However, where do I see it going? I believe, and this is based upon research every day, speaking to Virgin Galactic every day, people who work there, people that can provide me with information, studying every day, studying you, your reactions, people's reactions on my Twitter, what people are saying, the measure of sentiment. Remember, the stock goes down because people react and sell it, not necessarily the company does bad. Looking at all those things, looking into the fact that inflation has peaked, looking into the fact that I think the markets are turning bullish. I said the summer, which is around the corner, and the war ending this year, I am very bullish on Virgin Galactic. So I think that Virgin Galactic, taking all that into consideration, will go to $100 a share. Not because it's worth it, because it will trade there, because human sentiment is tired of the bear market rally. It wants to start making money. A lot of capitulation has happened. People have left the market. A lot of retail investors have left the market, which is what capitulation is. They've all got out, they've deserted, they've lost money, they're out. As they consistently see the markets going up, they're going to jump back in again. How do I know that? Well, there is your answer. The king of the retail investor market is on fire right now. It's one of my best stocks. It's a 10x. A 10x. Robinhood. No question. I don't agree what Cathie Wood says, but I agree with her on this one. I still believe she's over-exaggerating it, but I think this is a 10x. So I'm very heavily weighted in, again, tech. This is tech, isn't it, really? Fintech, of course. 3.5% is my main account, and 17% of my Roth is Robinhood. Because when the markets start to turn bullish, the retail investor will pile back in again. And sadly, though, and unwisely, though, they will all start buying in and they'll use margin. Because margin is very attractive when the rates start coming down and the stocks start going up. You win both ways, right? The stocks are going up and the rates are going down. However, that's not what I do. I buy when things go down. I don't buy when things go up. I just ride it out then and enjoy it. A bit of trimming. But essentially, I've not been going through the last 2 years of a downtrend to sell as soon as I'm up 5%. What's the point of that? However, when the market starts coming in again, what is the average retail investor going to buy? Can't buy SpaceX, can you? Can't buy Blue Origin, not that I'd want to. They're going to buy Virgin Galactic. Because Virgin Galactic, whether they promote it or not, I am. And I'm going to make sure that everybody this year knows about Virgin Galactic's flights and the Italian Air Force and everything else. And the average retail investor is going to jump all over it. For that reason, it can go to $100 a share. Then the celebrities start flying and people think, "Ray, this is great." Then it hits its S-curve. At some point, you've got to start taking profits because it will not be worth $100 a share. It'll be so ridiculously overpriced, like what happened to DWAC, Donald Trump's protest vote. Everybody who loves Donald Trump bought it, and then the same people dumped it. So it's very fickle. So I won't be looking to hold it once it starts going above $30, $40 because it isn't worth it. It's overpriced. It's overbought. So that's where I see it going. Could there be more downside? I don't care because I'm not buying the stock price. I'm buying the company. I'm buying the company at this price. Why don't I buy more if I think it's worth $100? Because it wouldn't be balanced on my portfolio. It wouldn't make any sense. I can make the money I need, hit the targets I need, make all the money in the world I need without over-risking myself with Virgin Galactic. So I want to have a happy, stress-free, healthy life where I make money consistently, but I don't put all my eggs in one basket. Because remember, I'm not, the money I get out of this stock or lose on this stock has nothing to do with Virgin Galactic. I know what Virgin Galactic are going to do. I know what they're capable of doing. There is element of risk. Things can go wrong. Of course, then it won't make a difference to me because it won't damage my portfolio hardly at all. It will go down by a couple of grand, but it won't do much. But I am more investing. I'm buying the company, but I'm trading the investor. I'm trading people's sentiment. When it goes up, I know exactly what I'm going to do with it. Got 3 or 4 moves ahead. So that's my thought, Peter, on Virgin Galactic. Anyway, you filtered out and trimmed some bad stocks and participated in the general leaf and the recent tech uptrend. Correct. Your general, more realistic and skeptic attitude to some bad stocks helped you. Indeed. MWG, multi-ways holding bands getting tighter. Float is locked. I can't verify this information. Mysterious MM is not a member of our channel. He pops in from time to time, but we don't know who this is. So I just want to warn you that information. It's from an unverified account. Okay. How cool would it be if an average Joe can go to space eventually? Well, I want to go. I want to go and have my song played, the Virgin Galactic song, if you've not heard it yet. I hope everything goes smoothly so we can start commercial operations. The commercial operations start this month, in June. As a pilot, I only wish I could go to space. Well, right with you. I intend on booking my ticket, just not yet. Anyway. So, we've got 25 minutes to go before the bell goes. And, hey, I got a number 1 gifter today, Ms. Parr. How are you, Ms. Parr? Hey, Ms. Parr. Let me make Ms. Parr famous a moment. this is Mizpah on TikTok. I'm waiting for Sensei Crypto to come in because I've got really exciting news for Sensei. What was that there? What popped up there? No idea. Mizpah, just do a rose again. Do a like or a rose again, and I'll put you on the screen. You're on the screen just up here, but I need you to do it again so I can share you, and I'll do it again in a second. All right. Anyway, we're waiting for Sensei Crypto to come in, and then we'll come back to TikTok. Right. Now then, I want to just welcome our guests in Rumble right now. Let's have a look how many we got with us this afternoon. Welcome. Bill, ramble into Rumble, you'll see. There he is. There's Bill rambling into Rumble. There he is. Hello, Bill. How are you, mate? Bill's up there on his own in Rumble today. There we go. Lovely to have you here. Brilliant. The Queen of Self-Braiding. Hello, Ed. Here he is. Afternoon, Ed. MSK, wishing the community a happy, stress-free, and financial independent life. I mean, that's what it's all about, right? That's what it's all about. Totally agree, MSK. I'm right with you there, mate. Nice sentiment. Right, let's go through. So this morning, we had very conflicting information. We had the non-payrolls jobs. We had employment up on one hand and more unemployment up on one hand and more jobs created on the other. More jobs filled. It's very, very confusing, very manipulated report this morning. I've been going through it in fine detail, and it actually doesn't make a lot of sense. The overall market liked it. Obviously, that's why we're up today. But nevertheless, it's a very conflicted set of data, I think. And on the 12th of June, Greg Bennington, thank you very much indeed for liking the stream on Facebook. We appreciate that. Lovely to have you with us. We're just coming up to the end of the show, and we're giving you the last chance to win $100 and get some free tickets. Yes, we are giving away $100 in cash, and we're giving you one last chance to get some free tickets from our newsletter. Now, we've been running a poll today on Twitter. I'm surprised we didn't get more votes than this. Here is the poll. You're invited to follow me on Twitter, and if you do, I will comment back to everybody, all my members. I will comment back to you. This is the poll. The question is, has the bull market started? Has the bull market started? So there's the link in the chat. I'll give it you twice so it stands out. And I'll also give it to my guests on Rumble. Has the bull market started? And I'll also give it to our friends who are watching there on Facebook. We've just got a couple of people pop into Facebook, so let me give it to you as well. There we go. And let me reply to you. Hiya, Graham. Let me give you a comment there. There you go. There you go, Graham. There is the... there's Facebook. There is the poll, should you wish to vote on our poll this afternoon. All right. What about my guests on Twitter as well? That's fine. They've already got the poll. Why would I need to do that? All right. I'm just thinking out loud there for a minute. Okay. Hello, Queen. We've got 8 votes, and no, 75% say this is not the beginning of the bull market. So in your opinion, say why. We've had over two quarters now, 2 quarters consistently up now. So I'd like to know, buy yourself some Tesla. No, that would be a very bad idea to buy some Tesla right now. You should have already bought Tesla. Why are you saying to people now, inbound, why should people buy Tesla right now? You've already done your research. It was available at 110 just a few weeks ago. Why on earth would you start buying it now? Now remember, it's okay to buy a stock when it goes up, because if it's going to go to 300, why not buy it at 214? Still make a profit. However, it's overvalued right now. You're looking for value. You're not looking for the price. You're looking for a company undervalued. That's what That's what Warren Buffett or great investors do. You still think UCAR is still a play? Do you guys think UCAR is a play? Let's have a look. I'm just answering a question over there at TUS368. Why people don't use their real names, I have no idea. But anyway, TUS368 asked the question, is UCAR still a buy? Well, we will ask the person most qualified to answer that question. That is, of course, Ed Nevius. Ed, is UCAR still a buy? What do you think? Give me your thoughts. Here comes the Queen. I am holding UCAR. The Queen is celebrating. Popped it. There we go. Here comes the Queen. I love it. Here comes the Queen. There you go. There you go. Going to have news shortly. New Girl 192. Are you? What news is that then? So UCAR is done. Eric B says. Let me put that on the screen. This is Eric says UCAR is done. Now, inbound, again, I can't confirm, verify what inbound is saying. He's not a member of our channel. We don't know if he's a 10-year-old kid in his back bedroom. We have no idea. Just making that point. It was 110, but it will be 310 in no time. There's no evidence to support that. No evidence whatsoever. Tesla is a great company. I own Tesla. It's 23% of my portfolio on my Roth. It's a big part of it. However, there's no evidence to say that it's going to go up to 300 imminently at all. 310, I think you're exaggerating there. It may well do it, but not because of value, because of hype. And I don't invest on hype. Ed Nevius, so answering your question, the person that asked, is UCAR a buy right now? Ed Nevius, who does all our scalp trading analysis and charts for us, said, I think lock in the profit. There we go. Lock in the profit. So we're not going to predict it up or down, but we are suggesting now to lock in the profit. I am not in it, but we do know, of course, that it popped up 250% or wherever it was. It's back down now to 160%. If I was in it now, I would already have taken profit, no question about it. Anyway, these companies don't care about us or retailers. I am, in my opinion, scalps only for me, swings only on shorts. There you go. That's from Ed Nevius. If you want that information before we buy the stock, we warned everybody this morning or yesterday of UPower. It went to 250, nearly 300%. We announced that before it happened, as we always do on our Discord server and on Twitter and so on and so forth. So if you want that, come into YouTube and I'll give you the link. The links are in the profile, or just type my name in, Martyn Lucas Investor. Anyway, no evidence to say anything in the market. Yes, there is. There's plenty of evidence. You've just got to read the balance sheet. But as we've proved here over and over again, most people don't read the balance sheet. They're too lazy. They just go off what people say on YouTube and Redditors say on Reddit, making up rubbish. And most people on YouTube, not being funny, but most people are there for themselves. I have pledged my life to doing this, to being here for you. That's what I do. Not everyone does that. Most people just trying to make money for themselves, and I do the opposite. I believe if you take care of other people, the money will take care of itself. There is plenty of evidence to say that Tesla is overpriced. Why on earth do you think, what do you think big investors, institutions, how they make their decision on whether to buy Tesla or not, or any big company? Because they look at the balance sheet and the figures. And the fact of the matter is, Tesla is overpriced. You are pricing in years into the future of its profits. That's nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. That is how you make money. You buy a share price when you think it's going to go higher in the future. However, what you're looking for is you are looking for value. You are buying the company, not the share price. Simple as that. And right now, Tesla is 23% of my portfolio. That is plenty of exposure. Bearing in mind, it's also part of the S&P, so I have even more of it than that. I do not owe myself any more Tesla. I told you I'd buy 20. I told you I would trim when I took a profit, and I did. And I used that profit to buy Virgin Galactic when it was down. Am I selling any more? No, I'm not. Because now I'm up 24%, and my average is 172. I'm not so sure that I'm ever going to see 172 again. So I've no reason right now, until I can grow my overall portfolio, take some dividends, and buy some more Tesla that way. But right now, I'd be overbuying it, it'd be overweighted, and it would not be the right thing to do. Okay? Anyway, ticker MMWG is set just like SDA. Float is locked, 66 cents. Only has all this information that mysterious MM. If you become a member, we could verify this, and you could be a researcher for the channel. You could share the links on Discord for the information that you're providing. We could make videos on it, discuss it, have polls on it, and it could be a lot more valuable than just dropping it into the chat, because we can't verify your information. Anyway, just saying, it's not for the $2 a month I get out of you. I pay tax on the $2. It's not for that. It's so we can verify you. Anyway, was I right about McDonald's when everybody says, particularly Inbound XTX? Inbound XTX said, I don't know why people keep buying McDonald's. It's overvalued. So despite what I just said about Tesla, McDonald's is different. And the reason why McDonald's is different, and it needs to be treated differently, is because people look at McDonald's, look at the burger business, which it is not. It's a land business. They look at it and they go, how much money does it make? It's worth this, and we can see that. The analysts do it all the time. The fair value of McDonald's is the fair value is $260, and it's trading at $289. However, it's not a burger business, it's land. You cannot overpay for land, because long term, land will always go up and always make money. So, go and buy McDonald's and you'll always make money. So, it's a good dividend, and when it dips, when it gives you a 5% dip, as it did last week, you go in, and I went in. And I bought 3 shares. I think I had half a share. I bought 3 shares, and now it's now 2% of my portfolio. So not only is the dividend good, I'm up 4.6% now. And if we look at it, I ain't going to lose that money. There's no way I'm going to lose my money. Not now I'm up 4%, not 4.6. Look at the chart. No way. No way. And if for some reason we get one of these little dips like this, you know, war or COVID, a recession, I don't know, I will just double my position. I'm not going to lose any money on this at all. So McDonald's is like buying land. Land will always be worth more money, and you can't overpay for land. And if you think you can, go into London and you'll pay 10 million bucks for a tiny poxy flat. And guess what? They can sell it the next year for 11 million. So don't worry about that. Anyway. Ticker MWG, we've said that. Eric says, has made some good pictures. I have been following on his YouTube channel. I would love to share it for everybody, but I can't do that. It's a members only perk. Otherwise I would. U-Power losing. Let's have a look. U-Power, yes, U-Car. We've been talking about it this morning. It's going down now. Ed has said, take the profits. You should be up now 250, 300%. At least you were this morning, and we hope you took your profits at the top. If not, set your stop trail loss. 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. And so I'm going to give you this now one last time. This is the last chance you've got now of winning free tickets for the giveaway. Okay? On this time, next Friday, at this time right now, we'll be giving away $100. And I'm going to tell you a little secret now. It's going to be more than $100. If you don't want it, you can give it to charity and we'll increase it even further. So how do you win? It's completely free to enter. First of all, you need the cash giveaway link. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. We give away money all the time. So if you bookmark my website, we always give away money on this channel all the time. When that one finishes, we'll start another one. We're always doing it. I like doing it. So let me give the link to everybody on Rumble, on Facebook. There's the giveaway. Okay. And then that will bring you to this page. And there are now 35 people, I think, in the competition. Scroll down and you can do all these things or one thing. It's entirely up to you to win. And the more people that take part, the more money we can generate on the channel, the more money I can give away next time. So I want to give away $1,000 in cash live on the show. Well, if you want me to do that, watch all the videos, get involved, retweet the competition, then we can. Now then, on Sunday, we're sending out our newsletter. You've got between now and Sunday morning, to sign up for it. After that, you'll get the following Sundays, and you will miss the last free tickets we're giving away. And I will tell you now, we've got a couple today that have just sorted it out, but about 20 of you have signed up but not verified it. Here is the link for the newsletter. There you go. And when you click on that, it'll bring you to the newsletter page. Put your email in and you'll get this confirmation email back. It will go into your junk folder because it is a newsletter. So go in there and open it, click confirm, and then you'll receive the newsletter on Sunday. If you can keep doing it and checking that, you verified it. If then on Sunday you still haven't got it, it's again gone into your junk folder. And in the newsletter on Sunday, it will give you some more free tickets to our giveaway. All right. Some of you haven't done it. Now there's 430 now. There's 440 signed up. A few moments ago, it was at 428. And there we go. One more person has fixed it. Very, very good. So there's 9 left now that haven't verified it. So you won't get the free tickets. You won't get the newsletter. And you miss out on all the benefits. You can always unsubscribe at any point if you don't want it. It's completely free. I make it for you so you can win money. If you don't want it, just don't bother. I'm just trying to give you the chance to win. Where is space price going? Andrew Tronics, we just did about a 15-minute review on Virgin Galactic about 10 minutes ago. If you want to rewind it back, I was answering a question for one of our guests here today. And I gave my full analysis of where I see it going, why I see it going there, and what I'm going to do about it, and what I will do with the profits. Okay? So anyway, I'm sure you understand. I don't want to repeat it all over again. 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. We are back then, of course, on Monday morning. You remember I said to you, every day I get many, if not hundreds, of very silly, aggressive, lucid investors. I don't call them investors, I call them gamblers. And I remember I said to you, Lucy and Tina and a couple of the ladies, extremely aggressive. Well, I remember I said to you, I will answer everyone's question cordially and openly and honestly, but if they get sweary and really aggressive, I just banned them. Today, I had to ban those 2 ladies because they didn't like my video that I put out about Lucid going private. So they decided to send me lots of swear words and stuff like that. So I've banned them. They won't see my channel anymore. They won't be able to comment anymore. And they are completely now invisible. So there you go. That's what happens. I'll answer anyone's questions, but if you get completely and utterly, and I give you lots of rope, but eventually you end up running out of rope. If you're going to be rude, if you're just going to be all out sweary, I just go delete, and then ban, and then report. So you know that's the end of you. Right, J&J. This is very, very good news. Very, very good news indeed. I'm down 1.6%. It's a huge part of my portfolio. 21% of my Roth and 4.8 of my main account. Now, J&J is still a buy. It's going to be 220 to 250 by the end of this year. Plus, you have that great Dividend King reward. So, Dividend King, you can see that I am earning $14.85 coming out in the next couple of days. In fact, it comes out in 4 days' time. It will not be automatically invested. That's the worst thing you can do. It's very easy and people do it because they're lazy. Because it's better to reinvest it than not. And why not? However, it's much better to wait for a dip to buy it than just to buy it on the day it's up. What's the point, right? I'm also going to get on my Roth IRA some more free money. I'm going to get $20. So that's $36 I'm going to get from J&J for free. Remember, dividends are tax-free as well. $36 in a couple of days' time. Plus, the stock price is up $51 today, and it is up $32 on my other account. So what's that? Over $100 today. In the next couple of days, we're going to be up on J&J. Really great. Really great. And it's a solid part of my portfolio, and I use it as a source of funds. If, for example, I wanted to buy Tesla, if Tesla did some amazing $100 crash, I could sell my J&J and buy Tesla, and it's a source of funds. It's a piggy bank where I just earn money by just holding it with no risk whatsoever. Anyway, 2 minutes to go before we ring the bell. Eduardo, hello. Just before we ring the bell, we are doing a special video soon. I'm from Honduras. Eduardo. Right, you've got 2 minutes to go. We're doing a special video to get members from all over the world. You'll be the first person from Honduras. Let me give you the invitation. There's the invitation. We've got a special video I'm doing soon about all the countries. We have got people from, these are members, Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, and Lebanon. So if you're a member of this channel and you're not on that list of countries, let me know and I will add you. We've got a special video that I'm working on now. Made a good play today. I played a call on the S&P and made $700 for the first time. Nice one. Congratulations. There's nothing wrong actually with taking profits today from the S&P. Unless you think it's about to turn bullish. I'm running a poll and most people are saying, no, it's not turning bullish. I think we're turning bullish by the summer. We might get a dip in between, but I think we're turning bullish. And I've gone 2 years of the stocks going down to not start selling as soon as I start making some money. Remember, the S&P does 15% on average a year. All I've made so far in 2 years is 9.8% because it's been down consistently. If you think I'm selling the S&P, the 500 best companies in the world, for 9.8%, you must be bloody joking, because by the end of the year, I could be up 20%. So that's my view on it, but that's not everyone's opinion, all right? Okay, here we go. It's time to ring the bell. Sensei Crypto. All right, there we go. The bell is now gone, and I just realized I needed to tighten the bell up. It got a bit loose there for a minute. All right, okay, let's have a look. Made a good play today. Job needs to go where book value is at 90 cents. JOB, Michael Anthony. Good morning, good afternoon to you. Made a good day today. So Eduardo, become a member and you will be on the list and you will represent Honduras. Anyway, the bell is now gone. That is it. The show is over. I'm back on Monday morning for the opening bell. And by then, you would have had the newsletter on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. If you've not yet signed up for it, you have until then. I've given everybody the instructions. There's still 9 people that are here today in the show that have signed up for it but won't get it because they haven't verified it. There is your last chance. I'm not going to mention it again. Okay? And we have 140 people, 440 and 431 are active. 431. There you go. All right. And you can see here, recipients. See? 441. So there are 10 people who won't get it because they've not verified it. And I've done everything I can to tell you it's because you've not verified it, and there's nothing more I can do to help you. You've got to do it yourself. All right, that's it. Okay, fantastic. I was hoping we'd see Sensei Crypto here today. If you've just tuned into the show, click subscribe and the bell. And you naughty people, you've forgotten to like the video. What's going on? Let me put a minute on the clock. Put a minute on the clock. We can't end the week like this. We can't end the week like this. 33 watching and only 19 likes. We can't end the week like that. We have to have at least 20. That's the worst it's been for like 2 years. No, it's not. I'm just saying. Let's get it up. Come on then. Smash the like button. All right. Anyway, I'm off now. I hope to see you Monday morning. Now, we do have on the 14th of 20. Thank you very much indeed. Oh, I really appreciate you liking the video. It makes all the difference to my channel. Thank you. On the, is it the 12th of June? The 12th of June, we will have Fed Jerome Powell speaking live on the show. He's my live guest, as he is everybody else's, just saying. But we look forward to that, and that'll be a massive show for our channel. What can you tell us about Luna? Mohammed Zin has just dropped into Discord. We don't have our crypto team here this afternoon on YouTube. If you want to know, come into YouTube and only just like, says Malk UK. Flipping heck, Malk. What's wrong with you? Why are you not paying attention? If you want to be on YouTube, we got. I can give you the link to our Discord channel, and you can talk to Sensei Crypto. Remember, what you will get on our channel is the most honest, real information. We're not here to promote anything, sell you anything. I will never message you. If anybody does message you on Discord, they are not me. I don't message anyone. I'm just here to help people. I was really hoping Sensei would be here today. Shall I show you why? He's missed out today on a big thing. Because this is my TikTok, come out of the live show. This is what I've done for Sensei today. Look at this. Because he became a member, this is what I did. One of my followers here on TikTok, and I fully support what he's doing. In fact, he's a partner with me on my YouTube channel. If you want to know about XRP and why XRP is about to explode, you can be part of Sensei Crypto's Crypto Challenge. Go and check him out. Follow me on TikTok. Highly recommend you do. If you want me to make a promotional video for you as well, subscribe to me on my TikTok channel. And if I endorse your videos and I like what you do, I'll make a commercial for you, just like this. Go Sensei. Hi. All right, so what I'd like everyone to do now, all our friends here, we know we all love and support Sensei. Let me give everyone the link to this. How can I share this? There's a share button in there. Is it copy link? How do I share this? Get a link for it. I want to get a link for it. Can I get a link for it? Report, save video, use. How do I get a link for this? I don't think I can. So what I'll do is I'll just give you my TikTok. You've all got it anyway. It's below all the videos. Here it is. Here's the link. You'll find it right at the top. Right at the top, you'll see it. Okay? So there it is. Go and leave a comment for Sensei. He would love you for it. All right? Leave a comment and tap the like this. You just do this. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. All right? Like that. So where it is, it's right at the top. There's the TikTok channel, and you'll see right at the top, there is our Sensei video. Now, Ed Nevius, are you in the chat? Because I'm making your video now. I did that one for Sensei. Is Ed here? Because Ed's will be there in a minute as well. Ed, are you here? I'll do yours now as well. Are you here? Let's see if he's there. Anyway, and look, it's already had 534 views in only half an hour. I love it. Brilliant stuff. So go and leave a comment, smash the like, and let's help Sensei out. It's to promote his channel, and let's see how many followers he gets to that. Brilliant. I love doing things like that. All right. If anybody else wants to do that on TikTok, oh, here we go. Intense Labs. We've got some clown on TikTok. He just said to me, dude really likes himself. I actually do like myself, actually. Yeah, I'm happy with who I am. I love my life. We've got, the most honest channel on YouTube. We're growing really fast on TikTok. I've got a wonderful life. I've got a wonderful wife. I've got friends and fans all around the world with my music. So I'm very happy with myself, yeah. I think you're trying to be rude, but that's okay. Doesn't bother me. Carry on. But anyway, yeah, I do like myself. Does anybody not like themselves? Do you hate yourself and you're miserable with yourself? I don't know. Maybe that person is. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. Eduardo, you're the best, Martin. I'll support with $100 when I make my first 3,000 in the month. Wow. Congratulate. Hey, just become a member. Just for a couple of bucks, become a member, and then you can be our first member from Honduras. You can get access to our Discord. You can talk to all our members. We can celebrate your birthday. We can answer all your questions. I'll reply to all your social media posts, help you grow there. I will do a birthday celebration on your birthday for you or your family. You get invited to all the members' exclusive content. You don't have to give me $100. Just become a member for $2. Anyway. What else have we got here today? I think we're done on TikTok. Yeah. Oh gosh. Anyway, I think we're done. I was hoping to hear from Ed. I was hoping to hear from Sensei, but I don't think they're here. So I'm going to wrap it up. Let's switch over then to our members only competition at the end. Don't forget the $100 giveaway on Sunday in the newsletter. Let's have a quick look. Last chance. It's going to be in the show next week. 8908. Oh, 973. Great. Some people have claimed their free tickets. I'm absolutely thrilled to bits with that. Brilliant. Did anybody vote? Have you voted on the poll yet? 9 votes. 77% say no. This is not a bull market yet. All right. Part 11. Why is it saying part 11? Oh, I know what that's for. I am here. Do you know what, Queen? That's all that matters, to be honest. The fact that you're here is all that really matters. I love myself, Martin. I am freaking awesome, and so are you. I mean, why would you? I mean, I feel sorry for people that say stuff like that. If you don't like yourself, why would anyone else like you? That doesn't mean to say you be arrogant. But if you don't like yourself and like your life, then you're a miserable sod. Your life's going to be miserable. You're not going to be very happy. Everybody around you is not going to be happy. You're not going to draw positive energy to yourself. So what is the point? Why do people even bother wasting their time trying to say silly negative stuff to me? Because it never bothers me. Because I do love my life, and I do love my family who watch me every day. I love what I do. I can only imagine the silly people that are saying silly stuff have really sad little lives, and I feel sorry for them, if I'm honest, because I want everyone to be happy, everyone to be healthy, everyone to make money. So I'm very sorry for the person over there. Tylon said, love your setup, Martin. In future, could you give us a breakdown of your setup? Tyson Lee, do you want to see my entire setup right now? Do you want to see behind the scenes? All my cameras on tracks? I'm going to do something special now. I like when people ask me this. So Tyson says yes. Okay, Tyson, just for you then, I'm going to give you a full tour of my studio, but I can't do it on TikTok. Just come into YouTube, the link's in the profile right now, and say, I'm Tyson from TikTok, and I will take you behind the scenes of my YouTube show. And I will show you all the cameras behind me, everything. All right, I can't do it on the phone. It's impossible. The link's in the profile, just up there. Okay, I'll do that. Come on in now, and I'll show you which people have said is the best live streaming studio on YouTube. And I'll share with you everything. I'll answer all your questions. Come into the live stream up here. youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile. Come and join me. All right, Tyson Lee is about to come across from TikTok, and then we're going to give him a full guided tour of the studio. Pretty good, right? Okay, we'll do that in a second then. Let's see if he comes in. I bet he will. Most people on TikTok talk rubbish, but he sounds like he's talking. He's being sensible, so that's good. I like that. I like sensible people. All right, Martin. I'm a miserable sod when I ran out of beer. Malk's a miserable sod. Malk doesn't like himself. He hates it. He's rubbish. Yeah, Malk says I'm a miserable sod when I ran out of beer. I've got no beer now. I've got an empty cup. There was some latte in there. Gone, look. Rubbish. Anyway, hey, Malk, don't worry, mate. In 24 days, it's birthday show on the channel. We'll be drinking loads. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Daniel Wernerth, I'm learning and enjoying your channel. How much of a dip do you look for before buying into the S&P? Daniel, that's not a simple answer. It's not a simple answer. I need to give you, I like to give people detailed answers to their questions. And I need to know more about your understanding of the market, more your understanding about the S&P, what your objectives are. That determines the dip you're looking for. So it's not just a simple, straightforward dip. It's an understanding of the S&P and what your objectives are. Now, the only way I can answer that fully, and I will happily spend 15, 20 minutes talking to you in detail, openly and honestly, is for you to call in and explain, have a conversation. So here is my Discord link. Unfortunately, and I'm not trying to get $2 out of you. I'm really not. The only way you can call in is to be a verified member. Here's the invitation to join. Should you wish to do so, I will open up the phone lines for you. You can call in and we can have a conversation, and we can help everybody discover that answer. So there's the invitation to join. There's the Discord link. If you want to do that, I'll happily wait for you to come on in. Anyway, we're waiting for our guest to join in. The Queen of Self-Braiding, can you tell her... Oh, hang on a minute. What's going on here? Look at this. I've got all these guys jumped in on TikTok. Can you tell that guy to come on in here? I'm waiting for him. He wants to know about my studio. Look, here he is. Ah, Pete Barker's here. Pete Barker's here. Martin, are you putting any more into Rocket Labs now that you're out of Vorb? Do you still have that one share? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I've got no allocation put aside for Rocket Labs at the moment. No, I don't. Malk and the Queen of Self-Braiding, could you tell Tyson to get his arse in gear and get into YouTube? Because I'm sitting here waiting for him because he wants to know about my studio, and I was going to share with him, but he's not here. So I can't do it until he comes in, can I? Can't show him everything. Anyway, so that answers the question, Pete. Now then, we're going to wait just a couple of minutes because we're waiting to hear back from Daniel if he wants a full in-depth answer on his question. We're waiting to hear from Tyson, otherwise I'm going to get off. It only takes a second to jump into YouTube. It doesn't take 20 minutes. Right, it's not. I've got to get my other device. Use the same device, right? All right. Hey Tyson, join us on YouTube. There you go. The Queen of Self Braiding's trying to help you. I don't know where he's gone. Anyway, so we'll just wait a second. You Power. We took profits. I didn't, but you should have done. C3 AI. So I sold half my position. You all know now. Now what we're looking to do is buy it on the way down with the profits that we made on the way up. That's why we bought C3 AI on a 30% drop. This is Tyson. Here he is. Here he is. Can everyone give a welcome? Simon He. This is Tyson. Where are you from, Tyson? We're going to give you a guided tour now of the channel. So could everyone put welcome Tyson? It's very rare we get people from TikTok because most people on TikTok are lazy. You know what they're like. They're just scrolling through like that. Very rare you get people, actually proper investors, come onto the show from TikTok. So would everyone put welcome Tyson in? Let's make him famous, all right? Los Angeles. Everyone put your city and country and welcome him in. Right, Tyson. Let me tell you about my studio. Let me tell you what's going on here. Okay? We go live 10 hours a day, and my aim is to grow the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. This was you a few moments ago on TikTok. There you were, a few moments ago. The studio's green today because we're all green, right? Everything's making money. I'll join. Eduardo, what are you going to join? What are you going to join? The membership? Here it is then. Here's the membership. Eduardo says, I'll join. There you go. Go on then. Hang on a minute. Go on. Oh, oops. Hang on. What's have I done here? I'm deleting my own posts. 10 hours. Wow. 10 hours a day. Yes. Yes. 10 hours a day. Now, I'll tell you why, and this is why I'm leading on to this about my studio, okay? This was you a minute ago. That's what you were watching a minute ago. You were watching my phone looking at YouTube, right? That's what you were watching a minute ago. Let's get back to the stocks a minute, okay? And what we're doing here is this. About 37 years ago, I started touring the world as the World Piano Man. I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. This is my investor channel, where you are right now on YouTube. But this is my music channel. And down here, you'll see me doing The Lion King with Sir Elton John's jacket on. There it is, Lion King. That was given to me by Elton John. Phantom of the Opera, I performed as the Phantom. My Vegas showgirls, look, this is my Las Vegas show with the British Philharmonic Orchestra, look. Look, I'm getting naked now with the showgirls, look. Has anybody seen that? Has anybody seen that video yet? Oh, yeah. Time to strip off for the naked showgirls. There you go. Anyway, so I toured the world with this show, look. This is me singing a few songs. You know how it goes, right? And I had a wonderful life. See? And then what? Then guess what happened? COVID happened. That's what happened. And it completely killed my touring business. No, it's not members only at the moment, Eric. No, it will be in a second though. I'm just talking to Simon He, who just came across from TikTok. So I'm just telling him about something. So my touring business ended, and I decided that I wanted to carry on addressing my audience. I've got fans and friends all over the world. I've toured 195 countries, and yes, I know that's every country of the world. It took me many, many years to do it, but I've done it. And I decided to build a YouTube channel, but I didn't want any YouTube channel. I wanted the best, most honest YouTube channel in the world, and I wanted it to look like a TV studio. Are you ready? Here it is. This is the back of my studio. All right, so this is me talking to you now. Look, I can turn around. All right, and I can change all the lights. We can turn them from green. All right, and I can put my piano spotlight up. All right, There you go. All right. Change all the cameras. And we built this studio. And I wanted a studio that was like a theatre. What I used to play in when I toured all over the world, right? That's what I wanted. So I built this studio to be, hopefully, the best live streaming studio in the world. And we've got our own power, our own solar, backup internet. We've got all these things which we believe makes it the best studio in the world. And I go live 10 hours a day because I got tired of hearing YouTubers tell people a load of rubbish. Most people, sadly, just care about themselves and how much money they can make. So they would come on and they would tell everybody, buy Bitcoin, buy this, because everyone loves to hear how easy it is to get rich. It's all a load of rubbish. The only people who make money out of that are the people making the videos. The people that tell you how to be successful on YouTube, how to build a YouTube channel, they're only successful not because they know, because people watched because they wanted to know. So I thought, I'm going to build a YouTube channel where I tell people the truth. So I built this studio, and every day I invest and trade, and every night I do music. Not every night, but most nights I do music on my music channel. I do 14 different voices in 7 different languages and 650 songs. This is my music channel. I've got loads of videos here with Paul McCartney, and I mean, I've got loads on tour. I mean, you name it. I mean, literally hundreds, thousands, actually. And that's what I did here. So in the studio, you asked there how it all works. Let me have a look. Goodwood, England. How are you, mate? Yeah, I thought the chat is. It will be in a minute. Rocket Lab's on the cusp of announcing Amazon Kuiper satellite deal. I'll have a look at that, Pete, in a second. Can you say what would today without COVID? Can you say what would be today without COVID? You would still be on. Correct. I would still be on stage. COVID was good for me. It changed my life for the better. Wow, what is the total cost of the setup? I can't tell you that. Touring the world and no stocks. Yeah. Cameras on automatic sliders. Okay, so basically what you've got, I will share with you. So, we've got the main studio here. If you look behind me, all right, in the studio, I have 14 different screens. There's 14 different screens. You've got screens everywhere. I mean, you can't see them all because most of them are off camera. You were looking earlier. You were looking at the phone, looking at the TV, right? This is me. This is at the side of me here. There's a TV. That's for TikTok. And behind me, if I go to one side, you'll get that angle, and you'll see more screens back there. Look, there's screens, there's monitors, soundproofing. Cameras are on tracks. You're absolutely right. Well spotted. I've got 6 cameras that are on tracks, and you'll see them cross each other and all the rest of it. The lighting is I'll go to where's my white? Why am I not seeing white? Why am I not seeing white? Oh, there it is. Okay, if you watch for a moment, all my lights, there's special effects in here, there's haze, there's dry ice, there's even fire effects if I need it. But all of this is for my music show. It's not for what I'm doing now. That's a Neumann microphone, what they're using, Capitol Records. All the cameras are 4 and 8K. There you go. So when I'm sat at that position there, you'd see all these lights move. I subscribed on your Discord. High and low. Hey, how are you? We're having a conversation with one of our guests this afternoon. Here he is, Sensei. Sensei, I've got something for you. Stay right where you are, Sensei. I'm just showing this for... we can go into different effects, look. Pretty crazy, right? All right. Anyway, just giving a bit of a taster here for my guest and friend here. All right. So we believe it's probably the best streaming channel on YouTube. Anyway, there you go. All right, that's enough of that. I'm getting smoked out now. Okay. Is that all right? So there you go. You got a feel for that. Now, all the cameras and all the sound and all the screens and all of this stuff is all happening live while I'm talking to you and investing and trading and doing what I'm doing at the same time. All right, let me come back to there for a minute and stop that. Okay. All right, that's how we can do all the music and all the rest of it. Now, I just want to come back to Sensei a moment, one of my guests, one of my sponsors. Sensei, you missed an amazing moment a minute ago. We did this for you. Have you seen it yet? This is you on Discord. This is you on TikTok. Look, on TikTok, Sensei, this is for you. We did this, and it's already becoming one of my next viral videos. Where's my mouse gone? Here it is. Are you ready? You want to know about XRP and why XRP is about to explode? You can be part of Sensei Crypto's Crypto Challenge. Go and check him out. Follow me on TikTok. Highly recommend you do. If you want me to make a promotional video for you as well, subscribe to me on my TikTok channel. And if I endorse your videos and I like what you do, I'll make a commercial for you, just like this. Go Sensei. Hi, go and check out Sensei Crypto. It's one of my followers here on TikTok, and I fully support what he's doing. In fact, he's a partner with me on my YouTube channel. If you want to know about XRP and why XRP is about to explode, you can be part of Sensei Crypto's Crypto Challenge. Go and check him out. Follow me on TikTok. Highly recommend you do. If you want me to make a promotional video for you as well, subscribe to me on my TikTok channel. And if I endorse your videos and I like what you do, I'll make a commercial for you, just like this. Go Sensei. All right, so what do you think of that? That's my little gift to you, Sensei. All right, my plan is to help people, give away money, support people, make people happy. We're here for the sad days. We're here for the happy days. We're here for everything. That's what we're all about. Anyway, so Sensei, there is your video. I've tagged you in it. All you've got to do now is download that and put that on your channel and share it. And that will go viral. I'm pretty sure of that. I expect this video to do probably 10,000 views within about maybe a week, something like that. So it's not fully viral. It's not like some of my other videos. It's not 300,000 or 200,000 like the top ones here, but it might do 10,000, certainly if everyone comments on it. And I've given everyone the link to it, and hopefully they'll all comment on it. Anyway, Daniel, I am waiting for you. I said I would, and I do what I say and say what I do. Right. Hey, Discord. Who is this? Who is this? We got Midnight and Est. Who are these two people on Discord? I need you to confirm who you are on YouTube. I need to know who these people are before I upgrade you. So, who are these people here? We are about to give away $100 in cash, and it's a last chance to get your free tickets in the newsletter. Let me open up the broadcast lounge for Sensei Crypto to phone in. Sensei, if you want to phone in, you can't blind me, Martin. You'd give Jean-Michel Jarre a run for his money with that light show. You're damn right. It's the best channel on YouTube. I keep telling you. When are people going to listen to me? Oh, my God. What should we do now? What should we do? Shall we do strobing? You want to use, I mean, what do you want? I mean, tell me what you want, and you can have it in any color, style. I don't know. What do you want? I love it. Anyway. So, Midnight here. Right, now, Midnight. This is you here on Discord. Now, I can't upgrade your account on TikTok. Sorry. on Discord. It's a members only perk. You can access for free all of these channels down the outside. All of these public channels, you can access public, open to all. See these? You can see all of these. If, however, you want to come into the breakfast bar every morning, get all the stock tips from Sensei Crypto, the stock tips from Muzanella or Ed Nevius, or all of these things here, you need to be a member. Then I can upgrade you. You can't see these channels. So midnight, I'm going to give you the link if you want to become a member, and I can do it for you right now live on the show. Okay? And you get many, many perks. Green strobing with the fog. You can have green strobing with the fog, but we're done with all that now. Malk, too late now. You were too late. There's the invitation to join. Okay? And we've also got Est, MCM. I need to know who that is as well. Maybe you are a member. That might be our member who joined a few moments ago. We had someone join. Tiago from Portugal joined. Who else did we have today? We had somebody else join as well. Anyway, I will wait for someone to confirm who they are before I upgrade their account. So we're just waiting to see. Ed Nevius is in the chat. So Ed, let me go over to Ed right now. So let me see if he's got a screen to share with me, or is he just on camera? Let me have a little look. And let me unmute yourself, Ed. Unmute yourself now. Okay, here we go. And Ed,
going on, traders? What's up?
there he is, the man, Ed Nevius, the legend, the man. How are you, mate?
Doing well. I'm happy. You know, I'm happy. Since that challenge started.
Your microphone's going in and out. You seem to be going in and out.
Okay, I'm gonna pull over. So I'm driving on my way home from work.
Oh my God! Don't be driving when you're talking to me. What's going on?
Well, I'm gonna pull over in like a half a sec. But I just wanted to say what's up and get them, guys. Like,
bloody hell, Ed! Your trade this morning, that was mental.
We had a couple good ones, right?
Oh, that was very impressive. That was very, very impressive. So you made a bit of money, right, Ed? I'm imagining.
Yes. Actually, yesterday was a killer day. It was beautiful.
Fantastic.
And then this morning, I'll be 100% honest, that MMV. So we killed it twice. We hit it pre-market, and then we hit it on the dip buy. On the third shot, there was a rug pull. So on the last, I actually took a slight loss, but the two wins covered it because the risk was tight.
Wow. Well, I was.
So, but
now me and you and Sensei are going to meet tomorrow at 10 a.m. Central Time, and we're going to discuss some new things for the show, and we would like to make it a feature where you could call in live to the show, literally have a hotline. I mean, literally, I might even go out and buy another phone specifically for you, right? Right? It's the Ed Nevius. I'm not joking. I might have a phone here, paint it red, and it's the Ed Nevius' phone. Put it on camera, and when it rings, it's you. And all I want you to do is XRP buy now. That's all I want. And I'll live on the screen. We'll jump in, buy it, and we'll have a lot of fun. And then you'll call back and you go, sell. In fact, you don't need to sell, because if I make some money, I'll just sell it by myself, right? But tell me what to buy. Yeah. I think it'd be a lot of fun.
Or if you're at work, sometimes like today, I go in part-time work. So those trailing stops save your ass, right? So if you can't babysit that stock or the chart, just put that trailing stop in and put it in where you're already making the money. So, and let the rest do
Ed, have you ever had it, and I've put this out for a warning to people, because the stop losses are not a guarantee to get your, if a stock should drop 40% in a second, you are not guaranteed to get your money. It's why some brokerages will offer an insurance on your stop loss. Have you ever had a stop loss not actually execute at the price you set?
Absolutely. It happened today, the MMV. So it gapped and ran, and there was the first rug pull, and I was like, all right, it's a fake shakeout. And then I just put my stop in at 380, and it pushed forward. It should have executed, but it was so fast. Next thing you know, the second rug pull, it jumped up to 4 and just rug pulled again. It blew right past my stop. And
then it sold for less. Then it sold for less.
Exactly.
Right. Yep. So I just want to be absolutely clear, folks, what we're talking about here. This is really important. If you buy a stock and it pops up and you're making loads of money and you think, right, all I got to do is put a stop trail loss of 1% or 10 cents or whatever. And for those of you who don't know, I'll make it really, really clear. If you buy here and it goes to here, and you're quite happy to lose 1% or 10 cents, whatever it might be, you decide at the time, depending on what the swings are, and you go, okay, as soon as it drops $1 or 1 cent or 1% or whatever, it will sell. That way, if it keeps going up, the stop loss will follow you up and up and up and up and up. A bit of movement, nothing happens, up and up and up. And then when it goes down below, boom, it sells it, you get your money out. Sounds great. However, as Ed just said, if all of a sudden some big whale sells 100 million shares and it goes boom, there's no way for the market makers and the people on your behalf to sell the stock, and it will then execute at the first possible moment, which could be a loss. You could go from making loads of money to losing money. So the moral of the story is, if you're making money, take a profit. Don't care that everybody else has made more than you, or you're trying to time the market. You want to be the richest man in the box. As long as you're making money, you can be very, very high risk, because Ed is right on the cutting edge. Ed is all about the scalp trades, getting it right. He's studying the charts. He's getting it right. Sometimes he wins, sometimes he loses. Or on the other end of the spectrum, you've got me, who does some scalp trading, does a bit of day trading, but 90% is long-term investing. Unless you're really clever and you're really great and you're like Ed, and Ed will admit he doesn't get it right all the time, and even when he gets it right, the market steals it from him, you are statistically more likely overall to make money long-term just by holding the S&P. So what we're saying is there are two ways to trade. Long-term investing, sit back, just keep buying the S&P. In 20 years, you will be up. Or day trading, and obviously everything in between. I just want everyone to know, just because you're up and just because you set a stop trading loss doesn't guarantee you're going to get your money out. It works most of the time on a stock that's just moving slowly going up or slowly coming down. But when you've got a stock like UCAR today, which is up 300%, then that can go to zero in a heartbeat. So just bear that in mind, that you can make money doing that, but you have to be very smart on it, understand it, not just gamble and guess. Ed's got a lot of education that helps him along the way, but also know that you can lose it all, not any fault of your own, just the tools you are relying on are not there to protect you in that situation. Is that a fair comment, Ed?
That's more than fair. It's 100%, actually 100% accurate. And so I have one account that's just a test I did since January 1st. In that account, I have every single winner, only one share, but every single company that I won, and nice trades, nice moves. HDK was phenomenal. That was probably the best trade ever of the year. But I won one share of each company. That portfolio, one share of every single stock, and there's like 50 now, they're all red. All of them red. There's not one. So for the ones I look at the high volume, low float. I want to see, I want to see 1 million people, 500 million people trading these companies, because that's where eyes are. That's where people are looking for fast money.
Yeah.
But like you said, sometimes you have these winners and you hold them, right? And you're like, oh no, but okay, it's going to run again. And
no.
So far, it never happened. So
it's like
two different styles.
Exactly. It's like I like to use the example of those who go to the casino and they tell you, I go to the casino and I win all the time. You don't hear about the ones who lose all the time, and even the ones who say they win all the time, probably not telling you the truth. And at the end of the day, you got to ask yourself this. What is your goal? Do you want to have X amount of money in the bank to be able to pay your bills X amount of years from now? And if you do, you follow a plan and you will achieve it. However, if you're simply every day in and out and left and right, the chances are most people, 90% of people that do that will lose. Some people will win, and Ed wins most times, to be honest, to be fair. However, he's doing it with education and study and knowledge and understanding of what he's doing. He's not just randomly picking stocks, hoping for the best, because if he was doing that, I could guarantee he'd be losing 99 times out of 100. And even the 1% of the wins wouldn't compensate for the losses. It'd be out of business and it'd be all over. So this channel is Martyn Lucas Investor, not Martyn Lucas Gambler. We're trying to help people. We want everyone to make money, make friends, grow, get love and support, enjoy life. That's what we want to do, and achieve the goal we want at the end of the day. I don't need money today. I'm sitting here earning $7 a day on YouTube. I must be crazy. However, I do want a couple $100,000 in my portfolio in about 10 years' time. And 200,000 is enough for me because I have no car loan, a little house by the sea. It's all paid for. I live on solar panels. I just want to walk to the pub on a Sunday. I've got a simple life. I don't need a car. I just walk everywhere. That's what I need. So all I need to do is get from here to there, and I've got a happy life, right? So if you want Ed's tips, it's all on Discord. He shares it, and hopefully over the weekend, me, Ed, and Sensei are gonna have a conversation. And I'm not joking. We might have a bat phone. We just had it. Had it put here. Malk put it on the screen. The bat phone. Some way for me to communicate with Ed. Martyn, buy now. Right, Ed. Well, bloody hell. And I'll do $100 at a time, and we'll have some fun. And just so it's on the record, when Ed starts losing me money, I'm going to ring him back and say, "Oi, you Ed, you just lost me $100. What's going on?"
Yeah. I do want to say two things real quick that I think is important, especially in my journey. Is one, and I tell people a lot. Be your own CEO, record your trades, and watch your win ratio, your win-loss ratio. And so even if you have a 50-50 win-loss and your stops are like you're stopping out at 10, 12 cents, but your gains are on average 50 to 70%, those numbers are constantly adjustable depending on your win-loss rate. So for me, I like to average a 7 win, a break even, and maybe 2 losses on average. Sometimes I hit that 50-50. If I hit that 50-50, now I'm reevaluating my trades. And all right, what am I doing wrong? Did this work up? Did this setup work up? Because sometimes the market changes and setup changes too. So constantly evaluate yourself, I think, is the most important thing, no matter however you trade. I think that's really, really important.
I think that's a great comment. Just as I'm talking to you, Dano has appeared in Discord. I think that's our guest from earlier. Could you just confirm that is you on YouTube, please? Because people all the time want to speak to Sensei, want to speak to me, want to speak to Ed. They create false accounts. I want to make sure that whoever Dano is, it looks like someone I recognize on YouTube, but I just want you to confirm on YouTube that is you so I can upgrade your account. What Ed just said was right. Oh, there it is. Dano is me, Daniel Wernerth. So Daniel, again, the same as I said to Midnight, you are here on Discord. You can see all the public channels, but if you want to call in, like Ed is calling in now, if you want to access all the members' channels, if you want all the perks and benefits that come with membership, and there are many, you get 20 times back what you put in. It's not to make me rich. The live shows are supported by the members. I wouldn't exist without the memberships, but I give you back 20 times. If you become a member, I will upgrade you live on the show right now, and you will get all the perks and benefits. Okay? So we'll wait for you to do that. Oh, hang on. What was that? What happened there? Oh, this is the, there you go. This is the YouTube and the perk. Thank you, Eric. Eric just posted the link there. That's of what you get. There you go. They're all the perks and benefits. Yeah, how cool is that? Thank you ever so much. Anyway, what Ed just said there was right. And what it comes down to, and this is the problem that most people have, it's just the way humans are built. People are essentially lazy. They want to get rich. We all want to get rich. Well, in fact, I don't care about getting rich. I'm rich enough, right? I don't think about getting rich. Most people just want to get rich. I just think about having a good life. If you're trying to get rich and you want it quick, easy, you don't put the time in, you don't put the work in, and as Ed says, you don't record your trades, you will think you're making money when in fact you're not. And I learned that firsthand when I first started trading 2 years ago. Oh my God, how many times did I lose money? And how many people said, oh my God, I didn't realize I was doing the same thing. And what we're talking about is the FIFO rule, first in, first out. I was buying stocks, they were going down, everything was going down. Then I'd buy some more. Then I'd sell some because my average had gone down and I had a bit of profit. I thought, hello. I was selling them, but not aware that actually I was selling the first shares, first in, first out. And the shares I bought here, I was selling down here thinking I was making money. That was happening because I wasn't keeping record of it. I didn't have the discipline. I thought I could just buy everything, sell everything, make money. I thought this is brilliant. Free money. And I actually attended a very special event where I met a manager who works the New York Stock Exchange. Very, very, very successful, wealthy person. And I told him he must have thought I was a right clown. Because I was telling him with all my 5 minutes of experience on Robinhood, 5 minutes experience on YouTube, hey, mate, you need to be buying Tesla. I'm making loads of money. Have you ever heard of it? Elon Musk, he knows what he's doing. Virgin Galactic, it's the future. And I was talking to this guy who'd been on the stock market all his life, a manager who runs the pit, who runs the floor. And I was telling him all about it, how clever I am, and how good I am. He was very gracious and he smiled at me. And I bet he thought, what a flipping clown. I had no idea what I was doing. And I learned from making mistakes. So don't think you're the greatest investor because you make money. At the end of the day, are you actually making money? And just because you make money one day doesn't mean you know more than everybody else. Every trade is its own trade. Every situation is brand new. It starts all over again. And you learn nothing from success. You learn everything from failure. Be humble, be open, listen. Ed Nevius has got some great information. Back to you, Ed. Oh, he's muted. Ed?
No, thank you, Martin. Thank you for having me on. But yeah, I just want everybody to know that that's what I look at. I'm mindful of it. And then, listen, when you hit that 8-win, I had a 13-win streak of wins. Literally 13 trades in a row. I'm like, I know this. I got everything. That 14th trade, because I got cocky, the market will humble you as fast as hell. And so be always mindful that just because you got lucky and you had those 13 wins doesn't mean, the market ain't going to take it from you, because it will. So from that lesson going forward, I'm very humble with my trades. If I have the wins, I accept the profit. I take them. I don't get greedy.
No.
And that's it. Just keep your account safe. And again, Martin, thanks for having me on. I just wanted to say hello to everybody. And Monday morning, let's get them.
Oh, Ed, we'll speak tomorrow, okay, mate?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you again. Take
Cheers,
care,
Ed.
everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
There goes Ed. Now, midnight has just come in. Midnight, I believe you've just become a member on YouTube. So you've just shown me your membership here. So midnight, whoever midnight is, can you come back into YouTube now? And I will confirm who you are. So come back into YouTube. So I know it's you. So come back into YouTube. Come back into YouTube. And you should be a member now. Anyway. You haven't come up as a member yet. Anyway, Dano. So Dano has just become a member. So, Dano, I can now upgrade your account. I can see you are a member here on YouTube. Hi, this is Midnight. Hi, Low, you have not become a member. If you were a member, it would light up like Danny has, all right? So, you've sent me, and that would have happened as well.
Daniel Werner has become a member.
All right? So, look, this is what you're sharing. This is what you'd look like Daniel has got his membership. You haven't got a badge. So you've sent me a photograph, a picture of what it is to be a member, but you're not actually a member. So you're not a member just by showing me a picture of it. You actually have to be a member. Anyway, so Daniel, let me upgrade your account now. So Danny, let me give you all your perks and benefits. First of all, I've got to change your name to Daniel so we all know who you are. This does not change your name. It just changes it on my server. Okay? It just changes it on my server. Okay? So we all know. And the reason for that is because we need, we get a lot of scammers, and it's very important to make sure that we're all on the same page. Daniel Werneth. Okay? There you are in our server. Now, straight away, I will warn you, you will get people contact you pretending to be me. They are not me. They are not me. So be very... Sensei as well, meeting us tomorrow. All good for that. Let me now upgrade your account and give you membership. And as long as you're a member, you will have this role. Whoops-a-daisy. Oh, Strobit. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Why is it doing that? There we go, roles. And I'll make you a member. There you go. There you go. You are now a member. Now, what that means is you can now see all the public channels, including calling in, just like Ed did. If you want to call in, ask a question, you want to know something, you want to ask the team. Now, not only maybe sub to your Discord page. No. Oh, Lucas AIDS. Oh, he has, hasn't he? Yes, he has. You're right. You're right. He's subbed to the membership on YouTube. I subbed on Discord. I see. I can't help you there, I'm afraid. You can cancel that because that doesn't link to YouTube. All the benefits and perks and other things you get on YouTube are automatic. Okay? This is an extra thing you can have, but this wasn't what we're doing right now. That doesn't link to YouTube. I'm very sorry that you've done that. You could just cancel that if you want to. What that does do is give you other things as well, though. But I need you to be a member on YouTube. That gives you other features, but not what we're doing here. Thank you very much, Sensei, for explaining that. I see now. He subscribed to Discord. That's not what I meant. I'm sorry for the confusion. I was quite clear. This is what I was saying. I need you to be a member of this. This is why I'm giving you the link here. This is what links to YouTube so you can get the badge and get all the features. Otherwise, you won't get the exclusive content and all the other things. You can't do a poll because we won't know you're a member. You're a member. Okay, it's no problem. Thank you very much for your understanding. Thanks for your understanding. I appreciate it. Anyway, so, Daniel, you can now see all these public channels. You can call in. Now, Daniel, not only do you get Discord, you've got a badge which will recognize you as a member. You can now see all the members' exclusive content here. Below the channel, here, are all the members' exclusive channels. See all these, look? You can see all of the exclusive content. You can ask me to review a stock. You can ask me for a poll. My birthday tomorrow, 64 years old.
Has become a member. My birthday tomorrow, 64 years old.
We've got to do it today then. We'll have to do it today because tomorrow we won't be here. Monday's a bit late, right? Should we do it today? Anyway, you get a birthday, a poll, many things.
Heinlu has become a member.
Right. Now I can upgrade you. Now I can upgrade you. So that's midnight, isn't it? This is midnight. So high, low. Shall we all do, Stephen, would you like your birthday treat in a minute? Shall we do it right now? Midnight is high, low. Let's change this. Rolls. Okay. And change nickname. High, low. High and low. That's as your name appears. Now then, just to warn you guys, the 2 new members. I ban scammers every day on my channel. Every day. However, I cannot stop people messaging you personally. They can't chat in the channels, but they can message you. Okay? So if anyone messages you called Martyn Lucas, they are not me. I never message anyone. You always know I'm the real Martyn Lucas because I'm in gold. If you right click, you can see my role. Why is that doing that today? You can see my role is owner. You can also see my profile, 3655. So I'm the only person with the gold or ownership. Anyone who messages you is not me. So please do not friend anyone or anyone that pretends to be me. Every day I go here and I do this. I go server settings. I go members. I go Lucas. And every day there's somebody. There's no one since I did it this afternoon. Okay, and I go in there and I delete and I ban people, and I don't just ban them from my server, I actually report them to Discord so they get banned everywhere else. So there you go, there's the real me. Makes sense? I've got a crown, got a badge, I'm in gold, I'm the owner, right? So there you go, very, very important. Okay. Now then, the 2 people that have just become members, we can now become friends. And I only friend my members because that's the way we do it. Add as a friend. And Daniel as well. Add as a friend. There you go. Okay, brilliant. Yes, thanks everyone. Right. We're going to pump the smoke out right now. Here it comes. We're going to do a special birthday. I'm buying Metaverse cryptos. Metaverse cryptos. Oh, here. The June 5th Apple event. They will unveil new AR glasses. Will be massive, like the first iPhone. No one likes them until they do. Right. Stephen Lewandowski. It's his birthday. So, this is what you get if you are a member. Okay? This is what you get if you are a member. There are many, many perks. This is one of them. So, Stephen, are you here for your birthday? Are you ready? Sensei, did you see your video? You never commented on it. Did you see this? TikTok, and I fully support what he's doing. In fact, he's a partner with me on my YouTube channel. If you want to know about XRP and why XRP is about to explode, you can be part of Sensei Crypto's Crypto Challenge. Go and check him out. Follow me on TikTok. Highly recommend you do. If you want me to make a promotional video for you as well, subscribe to me on my TikTok channel. And if I endorse your videos and I like what you do, I'll make a commercial for you. Just like this. Go, Sensei. All right. Hopefully. Right, here we go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a happy birthday for Stephen Lewandowski. He's a member, and as a member, he gets this. This is one of the perks that he gets. So I want to see. He's one of our members for the longest time. That's why he has a yellow badge. Not turned gold yet, but been a member for a long time. Here we go. We're going to do a happy birthday right now. And let's light up the studio. I want happy birthday to Stephen Lewandowski. You ready? Let's get the studio ready. Here we go. You ready? Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring up this screen here. Everybody on TikTok, I've got to go now because this is an exclusive to YouTube. So everybody on TikTok, I've got to go now because I've got to turn this screen around. Bye-bye for now. See you back on Monday. Don't forget the cash giveaway. All right, let me turn that off. Let me turn the screen around. You ready? Okay. Here we go. This is especially now for, I want everybody now in the chat, happy birthday. All right. Everybody in the chat now, happy birthday for Stephen Lewandowski. Copy and paste. I want to see it rolling. All right. Here we go. Let's get ready. All right. Here we go. Let me see all the birthdays now. Rolling through. Happy birthdays. Come on, get it going. All right. Okay. Okay, everybody. Is everyone doing it now? Are we getting happy birthdays? Let's see it coming through. Yes, I'm here. Happy birthday, everybody. We need this to come through now. Here's the birthday screen. Whoa, that's the fireworks. We don't, not the fireworks just yet. All right. Okay, here we go. So let's get all the birthdays going. I don't see any happy birthdays coming in yet. Why not? Where's all the birthdays? Is everyone doing it? What's going on? What's going on? How come we've only got 14 watching? Is everyone stuck behind an advert or something? This is unusual. This is unusual. Where's everybody gone? Have we gone offline or something? What's happened here? I'm going to wait a second because something don't seem right. Where's everybody? Where's everybody gone? Right, I'm waiting for you. Let me just add a bit of pink to the studio. There we go. Okay. This is really... Oh, there we go. I was thinking, what on earth is going on here? Right, let's do it. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 na, to you. Happy birthday, Stephen Lewandowski. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you. Diddly bum, bum, bum. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 na, to you. Happy birthday, Stephen Lewandowski. Happy birthday to you. All right. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 na, to you. Happy birthday, Stephen Lewandowski. Happy birthday to you. Well, Stephen Lewandowski's been a member of our channel now for about what? I don't know. 2 years, ages. And he's 64 years old tomorrow. One of our best members. So we're going to do it one more time. I want to see copy and paste. I want to see the chat rolling through, scrolling through. Roll, roll, roll. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Stephen Lewandowski. Happy birthday to you. All right. Happy birthday, Stephen. Now, don't forget, this is my gift to you. So, just below the video, you see a pair of scissors, and you can clip it. You can clip this video where it started, and then a minute in, and it will carry on playing if people want it. That way, you can share this clip, your birthday, to your social media. You can download it. You can re-upload it. Do what the heck you like. When I get a copyright flag saying somebody has stolen my video, I will accept it and give it to you because it is your birthday, all right? And it's one of the perks you get. So clip it, clip the pair of scissors underneath. There's like a little scissors underneath the video. Share it on your social media, and it's yours to keep forever. Well, there we go. I will see you all back on Monday. Don't forget, there are 9 people who actually have not verified the newsletter, so you won't get it on Sunday. Make sure that you verify the newsletter to make sure that you get it for Sunday. Okay? There's 9 people who have signed up for it but not verified it. What that means is it sends you a verification email. It went into your junk folder. You never got it out of the junk folder, and you never clicked verification. So go to martynlucas.com/links. You'll find my newsletter sign up. Go there and make sure you verify it. And if you're not sure, if you do it again, look for the verification email, and if on Sunday you don't get it, it's because it's gone into your junk folder again. It's a newsletter. It can happen. Hey, I think we just had a super chat come up on the screen. Did we have a super chat just come up on the screen? I think we did. Hey!
Happy Friday, Martyn.
Hey, from Norway, Swangen. Are you a member, Swangen? We're now trying to get members from every country in the world, and we don't have anybody from Norway yet. We have, I think, about 12 countries. We're missing out. Hang on. We've got, here's the invitation. Here it is. Here's the invitation. There's the invitation, look, and we've got Lebanon, Uganda, Canada, Uruguay, Portugal, Ireland, Italy, Turkey, Australia, UK, USA, and Chile. We haven't got anyone from Norway. So if I've missed out your country and you're a member, let me know, and we'd love to get somebody from Norway. All right. So, before we go, shall I just do one song to say goodbye? Shall I do one song to say goodbye? Does anybody want a song? Swangen just gave me 25 kroner. Shall I do a song? Shall I do one of my own songs? All right, I'll do one of my own songs. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere, a song so fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. The songs are fresh.
Swangan 77 has become a member.
Our first member from Norway. We now have another country from Norway. Oh, I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. The songs are fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. Our songs are fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. Songs are fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. The songs are fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. Our songs are fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. The songs are fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. There we go, one of my own songs. MSK says, Martyn, please sing Change Is Gonna Come. I don't know that song yet, and I haven't had a chance to learn it. I hardly get any time free to do anything other than what's already scripted out for me. So I will try. During that that song there, we had our We had another member join from Norway now. I can't believe it. So let me go back over to the studio and give Swangan77 all his benefits and perks. Bravo, Martyn. Thank you. I want to devote the song to a Mohammed Kahin and Tilray making its comeback in cannabis. I will try and learn it. I'm sorry I've not got around to it yet. If you don't have it yet, make a trading journal. Ed, tip. You are your own CEO. Absolutely right. I love that. You are rocking. Thank you so much indeed, Swangan. Let me go over to the main part of the studio and upgrade Swangan77's account. All right? Let me go and do that now. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Okay, back over here now. Let me turn the screen around. Not that we need it now because we're not on TikTok, but nevertheless, I'll turn it around. So it's done for later. Preset show, change that to there, that to there, that to there, that to there. Okay, let me bring myself back into the screen. And we're back. We're back. So, Swangan. Let me give you all your perks and benefits. Swangan. Oh, hello. The alarm's gone off. I need to go and silence the smoke alarm. I've got the power to do that. Don't worry about that. Let me just smoke. Let me turn the smoke. I did too much smoke. All right. Turning it off. There we go. There you go. Turned it off. There you go. Yeah, the fan's on. I silenced it, babe. Sorry about that. Got a bit carried away with the smoke again today. It's a good job I got the pull the plug button. We love to hear your music, Martyn. Thank you so much. Hey, guys, would you all watch it and share it if I recorded that and released it? That's the first time you've probably heard it. Anyway, Swangan77. Now you remember you can have many perks and benefits on the channel. Many, many perks and benefits. One of those is we can upgrade your account on Discord. So let me give you the Discord link. It will take 10 minutes to get in. We might not have time now to get you all updated, but once you get in, come back again, and I will upgrade you. But you can get onto Discord. I will just upgrade you once you've got in. Anyway, it takes 10 minutes. So we've now got members in. Are you ready? We've now got members. Can you believe this? Can you believe? We have got members in Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal.
We love to hear your music, Martyn. Thank you.
Pleasure. Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, and Norway. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 out of 195 countries. I think we have more that haven't yet confirmed. I think we have Germany. I think we have France. I just haven't found out yet and confirmed them. But pretty good, right? Sensei, did you not see the... do I keep missing your comment? I want to make sure that you saw this. Did you see your TikTok video I made for you? You've not mentioned it yet. I don't know if you did. I just want to I tagged you in it as well. So it's sent to your account. Anyway, let's see how many views it's had now. Let me just come back out of it again and go in again. It should have now... So let's open that again. TikTok. Where is TikTok? Tickety tock. I'm trying. You need to be posting it the same day as you get it to make the most of it. So I'm just trying to make sure that you've got it. Wow, see? 977 views. I told you it'd be at 10,000 within a week. 977. Look at that. 977. Yes, lots of volume. Sensei, are you not seeing this? He's not commenting back to this. I don't know if he's got me on mute or whatever. But anyway, 977 views now. That's your video. That's the best testimonial video I've ever done. It's nearly 1,000 views now. Absolutely nuts. So, Sensei, anyway. Am I talking to my... Is this mic on? Can someone elbow Sensei? I'm talking to him and he just doesn't reply. I don't know what's going on. Martyn, I am in. Oh, you're in Discord already? Bloody hell, that was quick. No one's ever got through that quick. How have you got in so quick? Right, now you are in. Come on in to the welcome all screen. Right, the welcome all is here. Eric B will meet you. He always does. Right, Eric B. Welcome. He can't be in that quick. No one gets in that quick. Swangan77. Right, hello here. I am in. Not yet. I didn't think so. No one gets through my security that quick. Ooh. Swangan77. I thought, hang on. Let's have a look. He's not in yet. Swangan77. Let me scroll down here. Let me see if I can see a Swangan77. No. Oh, hang on. Hey, there he is. Is that you? Swangan77, is that you? Is that you, Swangan70? Is that you? Let me just double check. Is that you with the dog? Because I can upgrade you already. Is this you? Just confirm. I'll be on the call tomorrow, don't worry. Bloody hell. All right then. I'm asking you about the flipping TikTok video. Yes, that is you. Right, send friend request. There we go. That's 2396. 2396. Swangan 2396. 2396. Give him a roll. He's a member. Okay. And change nickname. Swangan77. Yep, we're all done. He's all done. There you go. You're all done. You can now see all the members' channels. You can call in on the show. Anybody want to call in? Want to say hello and stuff like that? Anybody want to say hello? Because you can. Right, I'm going to get out of here. Because I've only asked Sensei like 500 times. Has he seen the video on TikTok? Nothing. Zero. Being ignored here. It's the Sensei and Martyn show. Yeah, it's a Sensei. It's a Sensei ignores Martyn show. That's what it is. Anyway. Right. I'm gonna get out of here now because I'm bored with you. I'm bored. I'm trying to get Sensei to speak to me. He ain't bothered. So I don't know why I'm bothered, quite honestly. I give up. Right. I'm getting out of here. Let's do day trader of the day now. It's going to go over to members only. Members only. If you're not a member now, too late. Members only can see this. Here we go. Let's see if I got anybody else to sign up for the newsletter. 431. It's logged me out. Booger. Does that after a few minutes. All right, let me just check. 431. I want to see if anybody else fixed it. There's 10 of you who haven't fixed it. And I'm not going to help you anymore. If you haven't done it by now, then too bad. 431. Let's see. Here we go. We're going to update it now. You went to the trouble of doing it. You wanted to get it. I want my own segment on the weekend. Please, crypto news. I want my own segment. What's going on here? Hey, it worked. Of course it flipping worked. 431 has now become 434. Then it will be the Sensei show. I want my own segment on the weekend, please. Crypto news and trades. Then it will be the Sensei show. Why are you still ignoring me? How many more times? Did you see the bloody... Do you know what? Sod him. This is my bloody show. All I'm trying to do is... Right, anyway, that's it. Bugger it. I've helped everybody. I'm going to help myself now. I'm going to help myself because I'm going to have a cup of tea with my wife and there ain't nothing you can do about it. Alex and Nora might... Yeah. Is it funny? You think it's funny, do you? Can you see me on Discord? Yes, I can see you on Discord. I've upgraded you. We've upgraded you. Yes. Pay attention, Swangan77 from Norway. We've upgraded you. You can now see all the members' channels. You can call in. This is how you call in. Every morning, we all come in here. We come into the breakfast bar every morning. We come into here. Come in here every morning and tell us what you're having for breakfast. Even Bill comes in with his bloody scooter. Oh, yeah, he gets in every channel. Did you see the bloody video? He doesn't want to answer. It's all right. I just made him a video to promote his channel. Don't worry about me. I've got nothing better to do than sit around making videos to promote other people's videos. Yes, I have seen the video, Malk. He's still not speaking to me. He still didn't say, yes, Martyn, I've seen the video. Is it too much to ask to say, did you see the video? Sorry, I give up. I ain't got time for this. I used to be the world piano man. I used to tour around the world, do shows with Elton John, and now I'm sitting here arguing the toss with the crypto bloke. I didn't even buy crypto a year ago. I knew nothing about it. I'm getting ignored. I'm tired of it. I deserve better than this. Right, that's it. Bugger it. I'm done. We're going to members only. We're going to do day trader of the day, and I'm going to go home. Yes, I know I'm already home. That doesn't matter, but I'm still going to go home. Now then, just before I go, I asked you all this morning, we're trying to get to 1 million views before the second birthday. 24 days from now, right? 24 days from now. Yeah, you can laugh, Eric. You can laugh. Remember them days when I stood on the stage in front of thousands of people? I never thought I'd be sitting here shouting down the phone to some bloke who does crypto down a phone about TikTok. No, I never thought that would happen. Martyn is going home. Yeah, I'm going home, all right. Yeah, I'm bloody... Dad, right, I'm going home, right? So, I asked you all this morning. We're trying to get to 1 million views by the birthday. We are 10 days off track. So I put together the playlist of the shorts. Each video is like 15 seconds long. And I gave everyone this link this morning. Out of the 7,000 or 8,000 people I've got, 4 people are watching the playlist. There's the playlist. How do I know? Because I know everything. This is my analytics. I see everything. All right? And these are the views. And if you all click that playlist and let it run right after this show, these views will spike up and we might just get 1 million views, because literally in an hour you will go through 1,000 views if you click that playlist and let it play. So if you all do it, we might just get to 1 million views by the birthday, and then we'll drink extra. So get on with it. Only 5 of you did it. Stephen Lewandowski, June 27th is my wife's birthday. Right, well, listen here. I've already got hassle from flipping Sensei crypto, right? I've just been talking about how down my life has become since I've fallen off the World Piano Man stage and ended up spending my life talking to a crypto expert, right? Now you're coming on saying, I want a second birthday. A member only gets 1 birthday a year. However, because I'm nice, if you give me a little super chat, I will do your wife's birthday as well. Is that fair? Is that fair enough? I will do, and not only that, I will do her a special song dedication. But you have to give me a tip because I'm sorry, one birthday per member. You've already had yours, so don't take advantage. But because I will do anything for you, super chat me and I'll do it. Is that fair? All right, I think we've said it now. Martin, you used to have 10,000 in BTC. You need 10,000 in XRP. Do I? Sensei, we're not even talking right now, so I don't know why you're talking to me, because we've just fallen out. I don't actually know why you're talking to me right now. You're in the doghouse, so take the night off. Ed is not allowed to do day trader of the day anymore. No, he's not. How do you call in? MSK? You call in via Discord. Are you on Discord? Are you on Discord? Have I upgraded your account? Let me give you Discord. Here is Discord. Why am I still here? This show finished an hour ago. Here it is, the Discord link. Have you already come into Discord? I can't remember. When you come into Discord, didn't I upgrade you today, MSK? Didn't I make you a member today? Hang on. I'm sure. Didn't I do MSK today? I can't remember. That was yesterday. I've slept since yesterday. MSK. I don't remember. I don't think I've done upgraded your account. Anyway, come into Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get into Discord. Come into the welcome all. Down here, and I'll upgrade your account. And then what you do is you call in via the broadcast lounge. Just there. But you have to be on Discord. And you've got it for free because you're already a member. All right. Okay. So we're now going to do day trader of the day. But I'm not talking to Sensei, so he's not involved. It's not for him. It's not for the sponsors of the channel. No. It's just for the regular folks. The regular folks. So let me change to members only. Justine, 27th of June. Same day as Martyn Lucas anniversary. There you go. There's the super chat. It's in the bag. It's booked in the show. It's going to happen. On June the 27th, we're going to do a birthday for Stephen Lewandowski. It's in the can. It's decided.
Justine, 27 of June, birthday same day as ML anniversary.
Did you all hear that? Did you all hear that? It was a little bit French. Did anyone actually hear that? It was Justine. It was read out in French. Shall I show you that? Look, listen. It was actually in French. Did you notice that? Play it again. Listen to this. Oh, it's not going to read it out. Why isn't it reading it out? It read it the first time. No, it doesn't read it twice. Damn it. Anyway, it's going to be a party. 1 million views, 2 years, Justine's birthday. It's going to be brilliant. No, we didn't hear it. No. Well, you need to rewind the video then. She whispered French to me. Hang on. Let me rewind it for those of you that want to see it. Hang on. Here you go. I'll rewind it for you. I don't want you missing out. Justine, 27th of June. Same day as Martyn Lucas anniversary. There you go. There's the super chat. It's in the bag. It's booked in the show. It's... All right. Okay. So we're now going to do day trader of the day. But I'm not talking to Sensei, so he's not involved. It's not for him. It's not for the sponsors of the channel. No. Watch here. It's just for the regular folks. The regular folks. So let me change to members only. Listen in. Justine, 27th of June. Same day as Martyn Lucas anniversary. There you go. There's the super chat. It's in the bag. It's booked in the show. Listen. It's going to happen. On June the 27th, we're going to do birthday for Stephen Lewandowski. It's in the can. It's decided.
Justine 27 of June birthday same day as ML anniversary.
Justine. Did you all hear that? Justine. Did you all hear that? It was a little bit French. Did anyone... Justine. Didn't Justine of Paris get her head chopped off? I think you'll find she did. I'm just saying, I think Justine of the French Revolution got her head chopped off. Just saying. So we want to be careful there. Anyway, enough of this debacleness. Right, we're out of here. Day trader of the day. Members only. Members only. Okay, here we go. Up. Of course we're up. We're always up. We're always up. 1.16 percentage points. Right, here we go. 30 seconds. 1 minute. What a show, says Swangan77. What a show. Yes, members in Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, and Norway. These aren't just random viewers. These are actual members. Best channel in the world. I'm just saying, just making that clear so everyone knows it. Right, 2137. Oh, you had to go and spoil my fun, didn't you? 2.64. Oh, look at all these rich people. What? I was quite happy being at 1%. I was quite happy. Right, Stephen Lewandowski up 2.84, and then Sensei comes on. I'm not talking to Sensei. No, Sensei disqualified because Sensei ignored me. I think from now on, if you ignore me, you go in the rubbish bin. Right? Sensei ignored me. I made him a video on TikTok. I asked him 20 times, did he see it? He ignored me. He started having a conversation with Malk, but he chose to ignore me. So I'm not including Sensei in it. Sensei loses. Right? You snooze, you lose. In this case, you ignore me, you lose. Daniel Wernuth, he's up 0.21. I'd rather pick Daniel. I'd rather pick Daniel at 0.21 than give the prize to Sensei. Who reckons I should do that? So the next best person... the next best person was Stephen Lewandowski. Thank you very much, Stephen. You win today because we're ignoring Sensei. Right? I can ignore people too. There you go. All right, that's what happens. It's your own fault. Is MSK calling in? Is MSK calling in? And I are the best mates now because I have 62,000 XRP. I would have 62,000 XRP, but I can't afford it. I'm just a YouTuber who earns $7 a day. I can't afford flipping 62,000 XRP. Martin, have you lost it? Yes, I have lost. What? I've not lost the link where you can call in. You asked me, how do I call in? I've given you the link. Now call in. Are you going to call in or what? I have been a member for a while. Yes, I know you're a member, but you need to be on Discord. I'm not the one who's getting this wrong. I know how this works. Sensei could give us some crypto tips. Yeah, I bet he could. Right, here is the Discord link. MSK, you've got to start paying more attention here. All right? Hang on a minute. We got chaos here. MSK, here is the Discord link. You need to be on Discord to call in to YouTube, to the show. There is the Discord link. Have you done it? Please pay attention. Please pay attention. Come into the welcome all screen on Discord and I'll upgrade you. Are you going to do it? Tell me you're going to do it or I'm going to go. I'm not going to sit around waiting. I've got things to do. I've got a life to lead. Believe it or not. Right? Sensei could give us some crypto tip. I'm just waiting to hear back from... oh, hello. High Low just sent me in his chart today. There you go. This is what High Low has done. High and low. I'm not able to upgrade your account yet, am I? Are you a member? I can't remember now. High and low. Oh, you are a member. Oh, yes, of course you are. I did it a few minutes ago. Anyway. MSK, I hope I get a tip if you make 150,000. Yeah. You got no chance, Sensei. If anyone gets a tip, it's me. Because remember, they wouldn't know you without me. No, I'm not joking. He can joke. I'm not joking. I'm not joking at all. I expect, basically, think of me as a tax man. Okay? Every time, I'm on Discord now. Right, hang on. Every time somebody makes some money, right, I expect a tip. Right? That's what I expect. Sorry I missed your directions. Don't worry about it. Right, you're on Discord now. Come into the welcome all screen. Yeah, I'm not like Sensei. I'm not nice like Sensei. I expect a tip, right? I expect a tip, right? If you don't give me a tip, I don't talk. I'm like a jukebox. You don't put money in, no songs come out. Simple. Right, MSK, where are you? Where are you? And wait, is this you? Coming to the welcome all. Is this you? Okay, here we go. Is this you? Is that you? The Beatles, the tax man, you're damn right. You're damn right about that. Right. Sensei. Crypto, 100% you will. Oh, you will. You'll get a tip. Well, that's lovely. That's lovely. I get nothing. It's always the same. Nothing for me. Is this you? 2318. Is this you? Because I'm going to upgrade you. Looks like MSK is going to call in to the show. MSK. Sensei Crypto, you will. Is this you? Just say this is you. I'm going to give everyone strobing. Enough of that. I'll get someone sue me in a minute. Going, Martyn Lucas put me into a trance. Is that you? 2318. If we lose money the next day, do we get our tip back? No? No. No. No, it doesn't work that way. It's one-way street. Self, self, self. You give to me, you get nothing back. One way. There's no two ways about it. Don't get confused. You know, some people think this is a family. I've told you before, it's a cult, right? You join the cult, that's it. You're there to just tip me. That's your job. Your job is to sit there, watch these shows religiously, 6, 7, 8 hours a day, loop all my stuff, become members, and tip me. That is the job. That's your job. That's your job, all right? I've got the best. I've definitely, if there was an award for the best job in the world, this is it. Right. MSK, how many more times do I have to say, is this you? Oh, I give up. If he doesn't want to say it's him, I give up. Daniel says, glad to be part of the community. Are you sure about that? Anxious to gain knowledge from everyone. Have a great weekend. Are you sure about that? Are you sure that you're glad to be part? I'm not so sure I'd want to be part of this. I'm not so sure I'd want to be part of this. In fact, I do actually pay to be a member. I should cancel that. I actually pay to be a member. I don't know why I bother. Anyway. High-low, nice badge. Yes. MSK. I'm waiting for you to come in here to confirm that's you. You plum. Sensei as a busy man. Oh, and I'm not a busy man? I'm not a busy man? I'm busier than Sensei is. Bloody ooh. Anyway, MSK, I'm waiting for you to come into the welcome all so I can upgrade you. Or just say that was you. I mean, either way round. Right? Is this you on the outside, on here? Bloody hell, really? You try and help people. I've got to stop helping people. It's not doing my health any good. All right? It really isn't. Right, here he is. Here he is. Right. MSK. Is this you? I can upgrade your account if you just say, yes, that's me. 2318. It's 4:45. I've got to go. This show should have been finished 3 hours ago. God knows why I'm still here. XRP, you have to accept the risk. I give a 30% chance it doesn't go well. That is quite high, but the fact is a 60% chance of doing well is a great risk to reward when considering the upside. I agree with that 100%. But that's why I haven't gone all in. I've got $300, $400, something like that of XRP. That's where I sit. It doesn't kill my portfolio if it goes down, but if it goes up, it makes me money. Simple as that. Balanced portfolio. All right. MSK, could you just let me know if you're going to call in? Because I can't just sit here forever. Do you trade crypto on Coinbase? Yes, we do. We have, this is my Coinbase, this is our Coinbase challenge. This is what we're doing with even if the case doesn't go well, holding long term, I'm confident it'll be worth over $1 in 4 years anyway. So there you go. Even if it doesn't go well. Here's my crypto challenge. This is what we're doing here with, I only have Robinhood, can't buy XRP. I'm right with you. It's on, I'm right with you. I know what you mean. So this is my crypto challenge. These are my assets. And all I started with is with $1,000. And I want to make the point, actually, when we talk about only up $274, I've only actually got 500. See, the 499 is still in USD earning 4%. I've only actually got $500 invested, and I've made $270. So I've made over 50%. Without any drama or risk. Well, any risk, it's always risk, but you know what I mean. You can buy on Uphold on KuCoin in the US. There you go. MSK, I just want to know, are you coming into Discord? You asked if you was. You're in Discord. I just want to know if you're coming in because I'm waiting and I don't want to just sit here any longer if you're not. So just let me know. I clicked on the link. Okay. I don't know what you mean. I clicked on the link. This is Discord. Come into the welcome. What I want you to do is come into the welcome all here. Top left-hand corner. Welcome all. Come into the welcome all channel. It's an open channel right there, right at the top. Welcome all. Scroll down and I will see you. Eric B, could you help him out? Just come in here. Say hello. Just say hello there. All right? Welcome all. Right at the top. There it is. I think MSK is about to phone in. Welcome all right there. Top left-hand corner. And then there he is. MSK. Is this you? I'm going to assume that this is him. It took like 3 hours to get him in. So I'm assuming it's him, right? He's already a bloody member. I've already upgraded him. Oh my gosh, flipping heck. Right, what you do now, look, you're right there. Right there is the broadcast lounge. Click on the broadcast right there. You're here. Just go there. Just go there, look. Just go there. And then you'll be live on the show. I'm too nice to you people. Am I too nice? I am too nice. Right. You ready? Let's see if he comes in. Right? I just said hello. I know you just said hello. I know you just said hello. Just click there. Oh my gosh. This is unbelievable. Can somebody help him out? Now go into broadcast. It's just left. Whoops. It's just left of here on the screen. Oops. Now go into the broadcast channel. It's just left of here on the screen. Right there. You're right there. Just go like that. Here he is. All right. This better be good. This better be good. All right. Here we go. MSK.
Can you hear me?
You're live on the show. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Hey, he's in. Fantastic. Here he is, MSK, live on the channel. So you can call in here anytime you want, and you're just on audio right now, but if you wanted to, you could go on camera, you can share a screen, you can share stocks, you can do whatever you want. Anyway, you're live on the show. How are you today?
I'm great, but there's some background, there's some, okay, that's gone, that's good.
Yep.
Yeah, it's me, don't worry.
I'm not worried. We're all good, and we're very, very happy to hear from you, MSK. Just remind us where you are in the world.
I'm in Romford, just outside of London.
Love it. So I know you're not very far away from Sensei, actually. He's from London as well. So it's lovely to have you here. Well, you're talking to the world now. You're not just on YouTube. You're on TikTok, multiple websites around the world. What can I do for you? What do you have to say to everybody?
Well, I mean, I think I've already said it, to the community, live a financially independent life, be happy, be stress-free, Yeah. What can I say?
Absolutely. Do you know what? You've got a really good, strong, clear voice coming through. So what I'd like to ask you to do, from time to time, I play little clips from people that have phoned in the past when they say like a 15, 20-second thing, why they like the show, why people should join the family, whatever. Would you like to do that? Then I can edit it down and you will
absolutely.
You will have your own little commercial.
Anything for you, Martyn. I mean, as long as it doesn't get creepy, anything for you, Martyn. It's fine.
All right. Okay, you ready, MSK? Take it away. It's over to you. I'll record it. Fire away.
Yeah, I'm part of the community with Martyn because it's true and it's honest, and everyone's polite, everyone's genuine, and even though I sound American and Canadian, whatever people tell me that I sound, I'm actually from the UK. I know that sounds strange, but it's a great community to join. Everyone's supportive. Everyone has something knowledgeable and wise to share, and I've definitely benefited from this community. So what you're doing is great, Martyn. Thank you.
Okay, brilliant. Now what I'll do now is I will clip that down and I'll put that on your own button on my stream deck, and from time to time I shall play the MSK sound clip. Thank you very much for calling in. Feel free to call in at any time if you want to address any member of the community, ask a question, then you absolutely can. So MSK,
I
thanks
just want to make a special thanks to Sensei Crypto, Ali Tizro, because his advice has done me well. Let's just put it that way.
We are really happy for you, and that's what we want. We want people to make money, have fun doing it. You all know the risks involved. What goes up does come down. But I'm really pleased that you've made some money. Sensei is a great asset to our channel. Him, Ednevius, Musanella. We've got some great readers, some great crypto guys here. And what I think makes these guys unique, MSK, for the benefit of you, the viewer, everybody who partners with me is here for the right reasons. They're not here to promote something, sell something, get everyone to, follow their journey so they can just make money out of you. They are here to share. We're all on the same path. We want to grow the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. And we're sharing our own experiences of what we're actually doing with our real money. It's not buy XRP because you're going to get rich and everyone goes, great, I'll follow this guy because he must be great because he's got 1 million followers on YouTube. It's very easy to grow like that because you're just making silly promises and people will follow you because they think it sounds great. You're going to get rich in 5 minutes. Whereas what Sensei is doing is he's telling you what he believes because he is researching it and studying it. And I don't just have people who make up stuff. I know he's studying it and I know the work he's putting in. And I also know he's doing it with his real money. So when he says this is what he's doing, it doesn't mean it's going to pay off, but it does mean it's more likely to pay off because it's not just him behind it, it's me and all the other people who are checking the information and making sure that at least it's what we are doing with our money. And at the end of the day, we don't want to lose money. We're here to help people. So I'm really glad that you've benefited from Sensei's information.
Yeah, on that note, Martin, absolutely. Sensei, so I asked Sensei live on one of your chats, what's the best crypto to invest in? And Sensei very transparently told me, this is what I think, and this is the reason why I think this, because of the court case. I did my own research, and I was convinced, you know what? Yeah, I think this is a good bet. So, and I know bet isn't quite the right word, but I'm quite risky in terms of my investments. Well, at least a portfolio of my investments. So that's why I made the, commitment from Sensei's advice. And, well, so far he's right.
Well, yes, absolutely. I mean, I will tell you that Sensei, Ed Nevius, myself, we've been consistent with our trades. Overall, we're up most of the time. We've all got different levels of risk. Sensei is much more risky on crypto than I am. I'm more a long-term investor. The scalp trader is Ed. Sensei is the crypto guy. But bringing all three elements and other members here together, I think you get a balanced approach. And like you said there, you used the word a gamble. It's not a gamble. Everything is a risk. But gambling would be literally flip of a coin, red or black. When we make our investments and we make our suggestions, it's not advice, by the way. We can't give advice. It's below every one of my videos, everybody. If you check in my disclaimer, we don't give financial advice. What we do is we share our real experiences, our real trades with you, and the risk is yours. What you do with your money is your risk. But we are putting our money where our mouth is. This is where you see on the screen what I actually trade with my real money. So I've got XRP. I, like you, like Sensei, like others, agree in the principles of it. And it's all about risk management, though. I've only gone in with about $400. I know you've gone a lot more than that. For me, though, crypto is a 5%.
Almost 30,000.
How much?
Almost $30,000.
How much?
Almost 30,000
oh
bucks.
My gosh.
But nothing compared to what Mohammed Khan has gone into Tilray. So let's be,
bloody hell. But hey, at the end of the day, if it goes the way we expect it, your 30,000 is going to turn into probably 500,000, if not more.
Yeah. But again, Martin, I think one of the things I appreciate about your channel is that you also do highlight the fact that taking risk comes with taking risk. You only invest how much you can risk. So don't invest your life savings and your mortgage, on a stock. So if you can afford to lose the amount of money, then you can invest. But don't be stupid about it. And your channel makes it very obvious, and I appreciate that.
Correct. If you're investing, if I just may ask, if you're investing $30,000 on XRP, and of course you don't have to be as open as I am. I share literally my bank account with everybody.
I'm very open. Don't worry. We're very alike, Martin. Don't worry.
That's good. That is good because we learn from each other that way. What is your net worth? What's your financial position then, if you don't mind me asking?
Okay, I don't know exactly what my net worth is, but I've got a couple of properties, and I earn annually about £300,000.
Okay, so you've got a good income. Do you have more? Are your properties mortgaged or do you own them?
They are mortgaged, but I'm hoping to pay off that mortgage in a couple of years. Yeah.
Okay. And do you have much debt, or do you have credit card debt?
No, I don't have any debt.
You don't have any debt at all. So you've got a good
Other than
income.
mortgages, yeah.
Sorry.
Other than the mortgage, I don't
Other
have
than the
any credit card
mortgages.
or loans. No.
But the mortgages are managed. So you've got a couple of properties. Do you rent any of those, or do you just have
I
those?
rent 3 of them.
So you have an income coming in which covers the mortgage then?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
your mortgage is pretty safe then, really. So you've got a good income, you've got no debt, you earn money from your properties, which puts you perfectly placed to invest and able to take a high risk because of your other financial positions. What is your age?
Absolutely, and which I'm sure Mohammed Khan is in the same place as well.
Exactly.
I think a lot of people, when we um, see people posting comments about making high investments, we think, oh, are they reckless, or are they being stupid, or can they afford it? And I think a lot of people don't understand that actually everything is relative.
Yes. Like we always like to point out to people, I get messages from people every day saying, how much do I need to start investing? And you can start investing with $1. This is not the rich boys club, obviously. MSK here has more money than others do, and he has less than others. It's not about how much money you've got, it's the percentage. Yep. If you've got $10 and you make 100%, you've got $20. You do it over and over again, and one day you'll have the sort of money that MSK has got here right now. So don't be put off.
You're making me blush right now.
Don't be put off by how much money MSK has got compared to you. It's all about percentages. It's all about understanding the markets and how you play them. But MSK is doing it right. He's got property. He's already cleared his debts. He's now able to invest. And I make that point to as many people who I can. If you've got credit card debt at 23%, in my opinion, it's only my opinion, you have no place on the stock market. You should work to pay off those debts first and then start investing. That's how I have done it, and that's what I suggest to people. But it sounds like you've got it right, MSK. As you are here, is there anybody you wish to say hello to? Anybody at home you want to send a message to?
Everyone that I know is a skeptic, to be honest, in terms of trading and investing.
Right.
So there isn't anyone from home that I want to say hello to. But
okay.
I just want to say another compliment to your channel, because you are right. There are a lot of people on YouTube that hype things up just for their own gain, but you don't do that. You are very honest, and I appreciate you, and that's why I'm a member of your channel. I just want to put that out there.
Well, it's very nice of you to say so, but it's just part of human nature. Most people, and there's nothing wrong with it. We're all human. Most people are, and understandably, selfish, looking to make themselves wealthy or whatever. The reason why I'm doing what I'm doing, and the reason why I'm investing in myself, and for the first year earning nothing and only earning about $7 to $8 a day now. And you can check that. If you go to Social Blade, you can see I earn about $7 a day. There's no, I don't hide behind that. That's what I earn. Is because I've had the fortunate life of touring the world as the world piano man. I've done everything I wanted to do. I've traveled the world. I've got a lovely home in England. It's paid off. I have no mortgage. I've got a beautiful wife. I have everything I need. And I want to be known for the guy who built the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. So if I just come on here looking at ways to promote videos, to make money, to get everybody to watch for sensationalism and drama and rubbish, I earn money, but what does money do? I don't need any money. I've got what I need. I've always believed that if you serve people and you think of others, the money takes care of itself. And I will tell you that For 7 years, 8 years, I toured with the second largest theatre company in England. The number one night show was That'll Be the Day. You may have even heard of it. And I was number 2, one night in Vegas. We toured all over Britain, and we were making money. However, when the credit crunch came back in the late 90s, it completely killed my business. I wasn't funded. I didn't have sensible funding. It was all done on a credit card, and I knew that we would fail because people were stopping to go into the theaters and so on. So I declared myself bankrupt before I'd missed a single payment. I was in a perfect position, 999 Experian credit report, perfect position. Yeah. But I finished the show because I knew it was going down the toilet, and I paid everybody off, made sure everyone was paid off, all my band, my dancers, my production crew, and I ended it. And so I've lived my dreams. I've had a wonderful life, and now what I want to do is be known for the guy who did this. So I appreciate you saying that, and I think that's why everyone's a member, because they know it's a real channel. It's not just Martyn Lucas talking rubbish, to try and get you to watch and promising you're all going to get rich or making up ridiculous stories.
Yeah, absolutely.
What's the point of that?
Yeah, absolutely. Because at the end of the day, I think especially with the advent of COVID, people have been looking for different ways to get avenues of growth in terms of finances, essentially. And there's been a lot of people misleading online, saying that, you can make $1 million in a year if you do this crap. No, it doesn't work that way. You gotta be patient. You gotta understand what you're working with.
Yeah. Well, we're going to end the show. What a great way to end the show. MSK, thank you for calling in. You are very welcome to call in at any time. It's lovely to have you here.
I appreciate that.
You're a great member of the family, and take care of yourself.
You too, Martyn, and the community as well. Take care, everyone. Have a great weekend, in fact.
Lovely. There we go. There's MSK. Wasn't that brilliant? That's a great conversation there we just had with MSK. Really great. Really, really great. Love that. Thought that was brilliant. Anyway, let me just check the comments here. What did we have come through there? Thanks, MSK. You guys say it brilliantly. I do my own research. I present it to you. I tell you what I'm doing with my own money. Then you should do your own research and then buy. That is it exactly there. Sensei, thank you. Only put in what you can afford to lose. It's all about percentages. Eric B, I just paid off my credit card. Love it. Love it. If you have credit card debts, you have no place investing here because you're paying 23% on a credit card. It serves no purpose. The numbers don't add up. Don't start investing and buying cryptocurrency to pay off debts. Work the old-fashioned way, but most importantly, it's not what you earn that makes you rich. It's what you don't spend that makes you rich. I have known multimillionaires all my life, and you would never know they're rich. They don't have fancy cars. They don't lease cars. They don't have fancy clothes. They don't do anything like that at all. They invest their money. Rich get richer, poor get poorer. And if you've got credit card debt or any loans whatsoever that you have had for more than 5 years, I make you an absolute 100% prediction. If you are only making the minimum payments on your loans and debts after 5 years, you have no structure or plan to pay it off in the next 12 months, I guarantee if you continue with that path, your credit will remain with you forever. If, however, you have set a direction of within 12 months to reducing that and making more than the minimum payments, then you will pay it off. If you're just making minimum payments and you've had the debt for 5 years, you will take that debt with you for the rest of your life. And whatever it is you borrowed to buy, whatever it is you wanted to buy, you're paying for it 10 times, 20 times, 30 times over. And you will be doing that for the rest of your life. So debt is very simple. It's just take the emotion out of it and look at the numbers, take the human element out of it, and act as if you were an AI or a robot or a computer and work out the numbers and stick to it. And if it means you can't afford that holiday or those cigarettes or those bottles of beer or those nights out, don't. Sacrifice for 12 months, get it done, and then you'll have 10 times the amount of money the following year. No one needs to be in debt. It's as simple as that. I learned that mistake. I went bankrupt once, and I've never been in debt ever since, and I never will again. And if I can't have it, I'll live in a tent in the garden, and I will, and I've done that. I'm quite happy to do that. Anyway, to some extent, Eric B, 1,000 will always buy 1,000 worth of stuff. 10,000 is always 10,000. Congratulations, Eric B. That's massive. It is. Thank you, Sensei. Congratulations to you. No debt at all. Only risk when you can, what you can, willing to lose. My investments. Thank you, MSK. MSK, I go on vacations. LOL, not rich, just love traveling. Well, you can afford to now, right? You've got no debts. You can travel as much as you like. I've traveled all over the world for free. And if you're going, oh, it's all right for you, you're an entertainer, people booked you. No, rubbish. There are many, many people in the UK, 18-year-olds, 20-year-olds, they leave home, those that have got any gumption, that is, and you can travel the world for free. You sit at airports, you go on standby. When you get there, you earn some money working in a bar, work your ass off. You pay for the flight, you pay for the hotels, you travel to the next country. Don't tell me that you have to be rich to travel the world. It's not true. It just takes a bit of gumption and a bit of sacrifice and a bit of hard work. Anything is possible in this life. It's just deciding whether you want it or not and are prepared to pay the sacrifice. But the reality is, if you choose not to take the sacrifice and go for the easy option of, well, I just take it on a credit card, you'll be in that debt for the rest of your life. And that's how it is. And you'll think you've won it because you got what you want. But you could have 100 times more if you don't spend the money in debt on the first place and just plan and structure it out. Simple. Anyway, that's a great end to our show. It's Friday. It's time to end the show. Let me shut down the show. Let me shut down the broadcast lounge. That's now shut down. Let me mute the channel. I think I've done that. Brilliant. We're all done. What a great end to the show. Let's have a quick look. We've got 24 members still watching us. We went to members only. That's what happens at the end. It's a members only part of the show. 8,211. 8,215. Nearly 34,000 followers now on TikTok. We've had a good run today on the channel. If I can give everybody the playlist to the shorts at the end of this video, open a tab up, let the shorts play, we could be at a million views by our birthday. There is the shorts playlist. It's got 1,000 videos. They're only 15 seconds long. You can easily get us to 1 million views. If you do that, we've got, 24 days to go. All right. I think that's it. Let me just shut down on Facebook. Welcome to all our guests there. Let's see if we've managed to get a few more followers. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers. 825 is now 829. Brilliant. Here's the Facebook if you want to follow me on there. We're trying to get to 1,000, 5,000, and then 10,000. Each one comes with extra perks and benefits for you guys. On what do you call it? Twitter, we're trying to get to 1,000 followers as well. We just started doing this. We're at 736. There you go. Check out my Twitter. All right. And lastly, the giveaway. 9,073. I think 35 people are taking part. 9,073. Don't forget the newsletter on Sunday, 434. Let me check. Has it logged me out or has it still kept me in? Let's have a look. 434. So I think there's 434 that have been accepted now But if I look on the recipients, 434, there's 9 of you who haven't yet verified your accounts. I can't mention it anymore now because it's all over. And on Sunday, you'll either get the newsletter or not. So you've got until Sunday to sort that out if you've not verified it. Okay? That's it. Time to wrap up. I'll see you all back on Monday. I'll speak to Sensei and Ed Nevius tomorrow. Time to play out the music. I didn't mean to do a big cheer then. I'm not quite sure why we had a cheer. But anyway, cheer's always good. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Stars of the show today. Stars of our show today. We had super chats from Swangan77, Eric B, and Stephen Lewandowski. Members, new members, Daniel Wernerth, Stephen Lewandowski celebrated, High and Low, and Swangan77. We now have members in Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, and now Norway. Can you believe it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 countries. Incredible. Martyn, you're following someone random on TikTok. Unfollow and follow me, please. You're following someone random on TikTok? Who am I following on TikTok? Let me have a look. No, I'm not. What are you on about? What are you on about? It's Sensei trying to cause me trouble again. Look, I'm following. I'll just open and close it to make absolutely sure. Are you winding me up again? He is, isn't he? He's winding me up again, that flipping Sensei. I don't follow anybody on TikTok now. I just do it on Twitter. The reason, and I've explained why. It gives more strength to my channel and allows me to promote you better by having the perfect channel, which is a big channel, and I only follow Martyn Lucas, which is me, the world piano man, my music channel. There you go. See that? Okay. And I've explained to you why. I promote you. I put your videos here. Sensei, 1,036. Look at that. 1,036 now. Your video. Look at that. How about that? Sensei Crypto. Very good. Whoops. That's it. I'll see you all back on Monday. Take care of yourself. Take care of your crypto and each other. Bye-bye.